Okay, nice. Okay, sure, sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Now our model looks more similar, right? Except for one problem. This is Mrs. Lee shaking hand with man and woman. I think ours are different. Now, which one do you think? Is this women or men? Is this women or men?
Um,
According to the question, according to the question. Am I correct or are you correct?
ya kayaknya aku bisa pada
Then just change the woman and man lah. No problem, right? No worries about that. Okay, we're done, yeah? Good. Now, I'm going to put a small question mark here. A small question mark here. Now, what does that mean? When I draw this 4p, actually, I do not know whether it's going to be longer or shorter than 3. I do not know. I haven't thought about it.
Okay.
This shorter one, I admit to myself, not to the examiner, to myself. I admit that this might be wrong, but there are only two options, lah. Shorter or longer. I just randomly draw it shorter and I put a question mark. Same thing with 1p. 1p I compare with 1u. Is 1p shorter than 1u or not? Actually, I don't know. I just randomly draw it shorter for now. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Oh,
Okay. If you can accept that with comfort, then put a question mark here and question mark here to say that to yourself. Hey, okay, yeah, just be careful, We might still be wrong here because we just don't know. Okay. Now this dot dot dot, just to make sure, this dot 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 means 1u is 1u and this dot 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 means 1p is 1p there. Okay, so far so good. Okay. This one again, so far so good.
mhm.
Now, this is as far as we can get reading the question. You can draw this model simply by reading the question. There is no advanced skill needed. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, here is what I really want to teach you, not the drawing of this model. Drawing of this model is not very complicated. Now, this is what I want to teach you. My mind immediately looks for a connection between the Mr. Lee one and the Mrs. Lee one. They are currently very separate. So the first connection I found is this. I use a red one. This guy and this guy. This guy and this guy. I read the question and I conclude, Mr. Lee shake hand with woman. One of them is Mrs. Lee. Mrs. Lee shake hand with woman. Obviously, there is no Mrs. Lee. Obviously lah, correct or not? There's no Mrs. Lee. So the Mrs. Lee woman must be shorter than the Mr. Lee woman. I get this by thinking about the question. Does this make any sense? I will illustrate that connection by simply doing this. This is one part, and this is one. That one belongs to Mrs. Lee. Makes sense or not?
Yes.
Now, I have a connection between Mr. Lee's model and Mrs. Lee model, and I'm very happy. If you're comfortable, please put it like that. Okay, so far so good, yeah? Now, that means this question mark no longer exists. Okay, it's correct. One part is shorter than 1 unit. Make sense? This question mark still exists. This question mark no longer exists. It is correct that it's shorter. Make sense?
Mhm.
Now, what I'm going to do next, you tell me this is super high skill or this is just standard stuff, right?
Um,
Super high skill or standard stuff. Useful or useless. Or maybe useful or confusing, more likely like that.
Useful but confusing.
It is confusing, but nothing high skill, right? What else am I doing? I know that this guy is one part with one Mrs. Lee, so this all must be one part with one. Nothing high skill, just a bit confusing. Am I correct?
Mhm.
At this point, I noticed that your model do have a weakness. It's not long enough. If you try to do what I'm doing, it will be a bit messy, but still try to do it, please. Try to do it, please. Pardon it, it will be a bit messy. So next time, draw your model a little bit longer.
Sure.
Now, why is this? Is this useful or not? I have no idea until I realize this, no? Until I do a comparison between this. Now, I've already done my comparison between this and that. I'm very happy. I am now doing a comparison between this and this. Okay, I'm going to think for a while. I'm going to write this down. Mr. Lee shake with man. Mrs. Lee shake with man plus Mr. Lee. Correct? Plus one lah.
Mhm.
So that means here I'm wrong. I'm wrong. This should be slightly longer because Mrs. Lee shake hand with man should be one more than Mr. Lee. Correct? It should be a bit longer. So to correct myself, you use pencil, ma. So there's no problem. Just erase this lah. Okay. Should have taught this at the start, but you know what? We cannot think about everything lah. One by one. Right? So it is slightly longer. Okay. Looks very ugly, but at least now we are certain that this is correct. So now, how do I say this? Huh? One part plus one part plus one part plus one, plus an additional one more. This is the one more. Correct or not?
Yeah.
There. I now have this already. All right. And please notice that my dot 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 declares that this is the same now. Now they are of the same length, right? Remember the top one is one shorter. So if I put one on top, it will now be the same length. I challenge you now, Gwen, to figure out the answer. This is going to be easy to figure out already. What do you think, Gwen? Are you thinking about it?
Yeah.
When you're stuck, tell me, but I certainly hope you're not stuck. Hmm.
We're gonna start.
Let me put this one more time. I am trying my best to give you hint. I cannot tell you the answer at this point. Cannot. No. This is the same as that. I go through a lot of effort to make this the same. Correct? What do you see here? Of course, for part plan, that there's nothing changes here. But what you see on top shouldn't now be 3u. What do you see on top here?
Three part and
And 3 part and you're right. There's 3 part and one guy, one guy, one guy, one guy.
plus four.
All right. Now, does that matter?
Yes.
All right. Then continue then. Okay. Okay, I can't follow your work on the second paper because the camera is shifted. Yeah. So later when you're done, you just show me lah, right? Okay. I cannot follow very well. Okay. That's why I don't know whether you're stuck or not.
I found the man, but I'm stuck finding the woman.
Which man? The Mr. Lee shake hand man or the Mrs. Lee shake hand man?
The Mr. Lee should have with
Mr.
men.
Lee, how many men?
Mm, 4.
Mr. Lee shake hand with 4 men. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Look at your model. Look at your model.
He should hands with 5 men.
Sorry, your mic is off. Sorry, sorry.
He
Mr.
should
Lee.
hands with 5 men.
Mr. Lee shake hand with 5 men? Wait. Tell me. Sorry, show me your paper because I cannot see your paper, the other paper.
Let me see.
Okay, no problem. Messy, I can still see what you're trying to do. 4 parts, right? There's 4 parts, and then there's one part. Okay, 1 part plus 1, 1 part plus 1, 1 part plus 1, right? Tell me, what is 1 part to you? Have you found 1 part?
Not yet.
Now that's very weird. Why do you say that? Because you claim that Mr. Lee shake hand with 5%, right? You claim. If that's what you're saying, that means you already know what is 1 part. Makes sense or not? How can you tell Mr. Lee shake hand with 5 men if you do not know what 1 part is?
So if I find 1 part, then
Most of the time, yeah, we either find 1 part or 1 unit lah, most of the time in models lah. Okay. Look at my screen one more time. Look at my screen one more time. Yeah, here. Laser pointer, right? So this is 4 part, right? This is 4 part. This is, what is this? Tell me. This is 3 part plus.
3.
No.
Oh,
3 part
4.
plus 3 stops. Yeah, 4. Okay, so this is 3 part plus 4, and this is 4 part. Use your logic. Don't use fancy stuff. Your logic. 3 part plus 4 is equal to 4 parts. Logic. 1 part is what? Logic, please. Three part plus 4 is the same as 4 parts. What is 1 part?
1.
Let me put it this way. Let me put it another way. I want to unlock your mind. Okay. If this doesn't work, model is not open to you. Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, 4 boxes. Okay, yeah, 4 boxes. And then somebody claim 4 boxes. Oh, boxes is just not nice at all. Never mind. I don't want. Tell me, what's your favorite fruit? Do you eat fruits?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what's your favorite fruit? The nicest fruit. I don't know.
Watermelon.
I'm sorry, what's that? Sorry?
Watermelon.
You like watermelon? Oh, that's a very
Yeah.
big fruit. Okay, wait. Does it work? Okay. Okay, fine. So I gotta use the word crate. So here's a super big crate of watermelons. Okay. The nicest watermelon I've eaten, actually, the color is yellow. So I have 4 boxes of yellow watermelon for you. They're super sweet and they are seedless. Very nice. Okay. I hope you can cut watermelon yourself. Right? So 4 crates of watermelon, super big. And then somebody come to you and say, I have 3 crates of watermelon. The same crates, okay? I have 3 crates. They're super big. And plus 4 watermelons. My drawing is super ugly. Now, That guy claims that, hey, 3 crate with 4 watermelon. Coincidentally, yeah, the weight is the same as your 4 crates of watermelon. Coincidentally, the weight is the same. Have you figured out how many watermelon is in 1 crate?
One crate is 4 watermelons.
Yes, logic, yeah, not math, yeah, logic, kind of, something like that. Oh, 1 crate is 4 watermelon. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is not, I don't know how to say this. This is logic, this is not counting. Okay, now, how does that help you?
Hmm. So one part is 4.
1 part is 4. Again, does that help you?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, remember this.
So how many men and women were in the party? How many men?
16.
16, okay. And how many women?
5.
5. Oh yeah, 16 plus 5 is 21, not 19 when we're talking. Bad. All right. And there goes this super difficult question. I believe this is 4 marks or something, right?
Yeah.
I don't give you steps, I give you the thinking process. That is what I think that's the best thing when we're dealing with a difficult question. When it's a medium question, I think we can talk about steps. Quite standard. So it's not standard. Okay, are you happy with this?
Yes.
Yeah, complicated enough, but like that. Now, oh my goodness, it's almost 6. What? Okay, at six, I gotta do. Wow, we took almost another hour with this. Okay, okay, all right, okay. Um, Gwen, do you have any question for me before you decide whether you want to try this tuition? This
Mm,
is the end of the trial already.
if
Wow.
we, if I join this tuition, is it gonna be like, um, is it on a weekend or weekdays only?
All right, so let me give you the answer. Um, I don't have classes on Friday and Saturday. So that means I have classes on Sunday, Monday until Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay,
Okay.
first answer. We also don't know how many hours you need. I hope not too much. Tendency of my student, we don't need too much tuition time after a while, after they are stable, right?
So the timing is
Uh,
already fixed.
Timing goes like this. Every day there is always a slot 6 to 7:30 and 7:30 to 9. So the slot are usually 1.5 hour. Hopefully that is not too long for you, 1.5 hour. Okay.
Um,
Um, maybe there can be an earlier slot, but currently the only earlier slot is on Sunday. So every day have two slots, right? 6, 7:30, and then on Sunday there's a 4:30 slot, which is slightly earlier. Something like that.
so if I join this tuition, then the classes are
I'm gonna stop the share for a while. Sorry, goodness. I'm gonna
the
check your.
so like
Oh,
the
you.
are based on the students' questions.
Okay. Sorry, Gwen. Okay, sorry. Just a minute, huh? I know why your mic sound bad. Okay, I've been struggling to hear you. The reason is this. I'll tell you first. The reason is because you're using your laptop's mic. Laptop's mic are always bad. You should be using your mom's mic, which is your mom's phone. Phone's mic are always good. Okay, so
Uh,
next time, if we're continuing, ask your mom to on her mic and your laptop mic don't use. It's very bad because every laptop mic is bad. Okay? Okay, yeah? Okay. Now, I'll try to answer your question again if I can hear it. Could you please repeat again? If what? Sorry?
so so if the student is so if like I do not have any questions
Yeah.
or
I'll give you questions, Gwen.
like no like if I don't have any if I don't have any like homework or anything,
Mhm.
then then will we like then like what will we do for
Okay.
like the rest of the tuition?
Answer you. Oh, that's very easy, right? I mean, we spent almost 1 hour discussing one question. So I doubt at the start you will run out of question lah. You will probably run out of time, not questions. Make sense? Yes.
Yeah.
There's always difficult things to talk about. Secondly, even though we should discuss your homework, we should, yeah, we should discuss your homework, but I only discuss the hardest questions.
Okay.
So I want some time, even though your homework is not done, okay? I want some time to discuss future question, future topic. That is a good student. The definition of a good student is you prepare for the next class, not the next tuition, but your school class. So let's discuss your homework, difficult one, and then maybe I'll stop you after 1 hour plus, and then we go and discuss the future. That's the general way of making your math good lah. I hope that makes sense.
Mm, yeah.
Now, let's say you're so good, okay? You did all that, you're so good, you discuss your homework, finish, discuss the future one, finish, still have time. Very easy. I have so many questions for us to practice.
Okay.
Okay, so there will be my question, but my question, true enough, is number 3 priority. Number 2 priority is actually your homework, the difficult one. Number 1 priority is talking about preparing for your school class. I hope that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right. What other question do you have?
I think that's it.
All right. Are you ready to, talk to your mom and tell her what you think?
Yeah.
All right. Then for now, let's end today. I think your mom needs to take her phone. You just tell her what she thinks, and then I'll WhatsApp your mom again. Let's carry on. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Hopefully, I'll see you next time. See you, Gwen. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Daniel, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, cool,
Yeah.
cool. No need videos as per usual. Have you just gotten back? Same thing?
Yeah, because on Monday, in my school timetabling, we end at like 5 on or 4:30 on Mondays
Wow,
because
wow.
we have one less Chinese lesson, so we need to stay back for like 2 hours of Chinese.
Sure, wow. Okay. Feeling good? Not so tired today?
I'm okay.
All right. Okay, go ahead, off your video unless you want it on, right? Okay. Nick, I'll do update with Ariel first, yeah? So, Ariel, a lot of things in this tuition is student initiative. Let me explain what it means, okay? For example, standard practice, I'll ask you for update. Hey, what's going on in school? But you already updated me through WhatsApp, right? Hey, this happened, that happened, that kind of thing, right? So
Yeah.
let's say I have received your update, okay? There's anything else you want to tell me, just tell me, right? Then I will ask, for example, this is student initiative. Hey, what are you supposed to study today? I know what's going on in AMAT. I know what's the topic. I know the difficulty of topics. I know what's going to happen, blah, 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 blah. I still ask all my students, what do you think you should study today? Because I want them to think about their situation and their problems and then say, okay, I think I'm supposed to study this and study that. Okay. Obviously, most classes don't ask you, right? Hey, what are you supposed to study, right? I think school classes don't ask you that, right? Or maybe
Mm,
tuition don't ask you that. But here, I purposely ask that so that you guys can think, what are you supposed to study? I hope that makes sense.
yeah.
Okay, so
Uh,
update first, just to confirm, anything else you want to tell me besides the WhatsApp thing?
um, we've moved on from trig in CMath.
Okay, CMAT to,
Yeah.
oh,
And I don't know what we're moving to because my teacher, we spend the week doing coursework, like coursework. Yeah. But and I think I need help with like potential graphs or whatever.
you
Yeah.
want some help with CMAT? I don't mind at all. Let me
Oh,
confirm, when you
I
say
need
trig,
yeah. I need help with like graphs in general.
if you can show me your question, it will be better, right? But
Oh,
but
okay.
before that, are you saying that you have finished sine rule and cosine rule? Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Do you want to see my A math paper?
you mean the exam paper?
Yeah.
Hello, teacher.
In fact, hi Nicholas. Yes, I can see you now. Don't show me. In fact, take a picture of the question and the working, send it through WhatsApp. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, I will take a look slowly lah to understand what's going on. And then you can
Okay.
start with CMAT if you want to, but I want some time for AMAT today. Yeah.
And obviously some of your
Okay, Nico. All right. Okay. Nick, updates, please, Nicholas. What's going on? Updates,
so it's not a lot of
Mm-hmm.
things. We are starting trigonometry for like
For
EMAT.
AMAT.
This one.
For EMAT or for AMAT, sorry?
EMAT.
Sine rule for sine rule. Is that what your teacher is doing?
Yes. But I need you
Oh.
to teach me about that though. Because like I don't actually understand it.
Happy to explain. Those are very important topics. It affects EMath a whole lot and AMath also. So I want you to be strong in sine rule, cosine rule. That's fair, right?
And that's the only
AMath
game.
how?
And that's the only game that's really expensive. AMF, we're still we're still doing log, but like we haven't. There's no AMF today, so like I don't know. Maybe
So no homeworks lah. No homework yet.
yes.
We'll just do a bit log today, a bit more advanced log today. I mean, just from the questions you already posted lah. All right. I don't mind. We do trigo EMath today, definitely, and some logarithm. Definitely not. Any other updates?
Graphs.
I know, Nicholas first. Any other updates, Nicholas? Bio stuff. Chem, how's your chem?
Chem is okay.
Has the mole advanced to something more difficult, like empirical formula, excess limiting, you know, that kind of purity, very, very weird stuff lah. Has it?
I don't know. Okay, wait. Let me try to remember. You're still doing mole concept for chemistry. That's what I remember.
Nothing fancy lah, because you will notice when things get fancy one.
Yeah.
If you say that you have no problem, still similar to the last one, then I'm okay with your chem lah, right? Just watch out when things go to empirical formula or excess limiting. We gotta understand that one. Okay? Coming soon lah, coming soon. Okay?
Yes.
I don't mind. I don't mind. Do you want to do sign rule now?
Okay.
All right. Now, what do you want? Do you want to show me homework or do you want me to explain to you?
Let me give you a paper. I think
Sure. Show me. Ariel, do you have trouble taking picture for me?
I'm looking for it. It's in my
Oh,
phone. Like
right.
taking it out.
Sure thing.
Just straight photo of my CMAT.
I wanna mark it down a piece of paper. So let me get my. Okay, the thing is, right, I feel like I'm figuring out more stuff by myself, but just to be clear, I need you to tell me how does this work? Okay, because teacher starts talking about quadrants and weird stuff like that.
But this is E-math lah. Let me just confirm first. This is E-math.
Yes.
Not A-math. Let me confirm. This is not A-math.
Yeah, it's E-math.
Okay, all right. This one I can explain. Okay, do you want that right now?
Yes.
All right. Okay, check out your Jamboard. Yeah. So, what your teacher is saying. Sorry, take your calculator first. I'll show you something first.
My calculator. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Show me your calculator. Okay, in your page 7, I claim sine 30 degree is equal to sine 150 degree. Let me just say first that obviously 30 degree is not equal to 150 degree. This is obvious. But I'm claiming that sine 30 is equal to sine 150. Would you please test that out using your calculator?
Sine 30.
Okay. Great. Yeah, I'm checking it out, Ariel. Yeah, Ariel, I'm
Eh?
checking it out.
Wait, what you say?
Jamboard.
Oh.
Just check for me using a calculator whether
Yeah, I know it's correct. I know about that. That one I know.
All right, then let me test you lah. Then how about sine 29? What is it equal to? Again, Jamboard,
Sine.
yeah?
You're gonna say tan and cos, and then I'm gonna have to say minus.
No, just sine, Sine is enough.
This one I understand. It's just 180 minus 29 for the obtuse.
Oh, it is C-math, isn't it? It is C-math.
Oh yeah, I'm looking for my A math one, which is
Right,
somewhere.
no problem. I am very happy to see your math. Slightly worried lah, but therefore I do need to see this. Oh yeah, that thing. Yeah. No, the algebra is fine, but I can tell that your completing square is struggling a bit. Yeah, yeah. Thank you for sending. Okay. So again, Nicholas, I'm waiting for an answer. Sine 29 is equal to sine. Oh, 151. Okay, you got it already.
Very right.
Very good. Now, this is what your teacher is saying, and of course you are correct, lah. So good job for you. I want to test you a little bit. Just test you a little bit. Let's say
Yes.
sine 20. Obviously, sine 20 is equal to sine what?
Sine 20 is equal to sine 160.
Okay. Now a little bit of a test. A little bit of a test. How about minus sine 20? What is it equal to?
Wait, can you repeat that?
Minus sine 20 is equal to?
Minus sine 20. Sine 160. I mean, wait. Yeah.
Okay. And the answer will be, sorry, did you write anything? Minus sine 20 equals to? Just confusing you a little bit with the minus. Can you handle it?
Okay, wait. I need to make sure I got this. Minus sine 160.
Totally agree with you. Now, before I go to the cosine one, I'm going to teach you something that will be needed, but I don't see it in this page. Yeah? But I know that it will be needed. Now, let me give you an example. Sine 30 also. Okay, sine 30 is going to be equal to cosine 60. Do you know this kind of thing? This kind of thing also works. There's a very different reason to it, but you do need to know this, right? I'm checking your exam, Ariel.
Sine 30 equal cosine 60. Oh yeah, that
Do
one
you
is the
know?
one I don't know. That one is the one I
Okay.
forgot.
This one actually very easy to explain. Okay, Ariel, I'm looking at it and I
Oh, yeah.
roughly can understand.
I know how to do it now. Besides, yeah, I just didn't do it.
Oh, you have alpha and beta, really? Oh, that's so
Yeah,
annoying.
they put it.
That's
It's
so
not
annoying.
nice.
That's so annoying.
They took it out of the O-level syllabus, but we still have it.
Yes. Wow. Traditionalists, you guys. Okay.
Treasure.
Okay. Yeah. But we will forget about the past. It's just me trying to understand your school standard and how you're coping, lah, right? Okay. Again, can we let the past go for a while? We'll come back to that one. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to now today, right? Okay, now you show me your CMath graph thingy, right? Thank you for sending me exam. Now some CMath question will help a lot. Okay. Now, before that, Ariel, do you know how to, take a picture and put it in your Jamboard? Because Jamboard is our main way
Yeah, I
of.
know. I can do that.
You can do that? Oh, wonderful. Okay, I'll be waiting for the question inside the Jamboard. Right now. To you, Nicholas, I'm going to explain the sine 30 cosine 61. Now, here's your 30. This is your opposite, therefore, and this is your adjacent, and this is your hypotenuse. Would that be okay so far?
Yeah, I know how that works.
I'm going to call this y and x, okay? I'm going to call this y and x. So, sine 30 degree is equal to y over h. Am I correct?
Sine 30 is y over. That's like, yeah, okay, wait, it's a h. Can you like make the line longer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, how about
yeah.
cosine 60? What is cosine 60?
Wait. Y?
Yeah, y over h. Correct or not?
Can you say like opposite, not x?
Yeah, opposite of 30 is y, man, right? Opposite of
Yeah, but
30
like,
is y.
you
So
may
y
say
lah.
that very weird.
Okay. Again, correct or not must be clear first. A bit too slow. Are you sure you're okay?
I don't. Oh wait, okay. Well,
So. So.
that's
Tokaso.
so.
Yeah, opposite. Opposite.
No, I don't need
over
so. That's why I didn't say so. Because it's called. It's not so what. This cool.
Sine 30, hello, sine 30, so, sine 30.
Yeah, but I'm talking about cool. Because it's cosine. Alright. Cosine 60.
Oh, your sine 30 already okay. I'm sorry, your sine 30 already okay. Okay, now cosine 60, okay. Ka, right? Ka.
Yeah,
So, so what is it? What is it? Adjacent, like who's the adjacent of 60? Right, and you are wrong lah. You're wrong to say that it's A over H. A over H. Of course, it should be adjacent, but the adjacent of 60 is wrong. The adjacent of 60 is this one. The adjacent of 60 is this one. This one is the opposite of 60, obviously from the visualization. That's opposite of 60. You're choosing the wrong adjacent for 60. Be very careful. Different angle, different adjacent, you know. Ariel, I'm following your Jamboard, yeah. So if
Oh
you're
yeah,
confused with this,
I'm uploading it now. Yeah.
good, okay. If you have technical problem, you must have. Okay. All right, I'm seeing something. Nicholas, are you okay with that one? The adjacent of 60 must be that guy.
Why you X the O and A?
Oh, do you get okay? You don't listen to me, yeah? 60 degree. This is the
Oh,
opposite of 60.
I didn't pay attention. I didn't see 60 here. I don't know why. Even though I saw a different degree,
Yeah,
I still like
correct,
look at the
correct.
30 degree.
You're not very focused today, Nicholas. You're not very focused. Okay, focus.
No. I just didn't see the 60. Simple. It's not. I'm not focused. Don't see
Okay.
everything.
So now tell me in terms of y, x, or h lah, which one is cosine 60? Okay, I don't mind all this question, Ariel. Which one is this a homework? Just checking.
No, it isn't. Basically, I don't have my graph work. I don't have like my graph worksheet because it's with my teacher. But then
Fair.
my school's math HOD sets the papers, and she wrote this assessment book, so I took it from there.
Mm.
Yeah, because I don't have a
All,
so all questions come from here or like what my school makes.
all this question does not need any graph paper lah. Maybe that's the good thing. I don't know. But yeah, if you want to talk
Okay,
about
so
this,
one
we can. Okay, we can, yeah. Okay, Nicholas, I am still waiting for you to answer that cosine 60 is y over h lah. Correct? Okay.
Technically still A over H. No, I was put it correctly first.
I mean, adjacent over hypotenuse is just a guide lah, because the adjacent can help ma, right? So can I confirm that it is y over h in this case lah? Can I confirm that? Then you see y sine 30 is equal to cosine 60 lah. That's the reason. If you don't see it, tell me, yeah. Now, Ariel, is it question 20? Is that how? Oh, it's gone now. It's gone now.
Oh yeah, I'm just uploading it like in a different way.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, to just have that one question so I can like write it better.
All right, cool. Nicholas, can you accept that that is the reason why sine 30 equals to cosine 60? It's both y over h.
Cosine. Huh?
I'll make it bigger, yeah, Ariel. We don't fight. Okay, I'll make it bigger.
Sine 30 equal cosine 60.
Because both are y over h. Both. All right.
Oh,
That is the reason lah. That's the reason. Okay. Ariel first, yeah, Ariel. I'm going to find A and B. Ariel, can I confirm? Are you stuck here or can you do it yourself?
Wait, I'm gonna try.
I will follow your working through the Jamboard.
Okay.
Nicholas, I'm going to test you, okay? I'm going to test you, yeah? Okay, see whether you understand. I'm going to ask you, what is it? And then I'm going to ask you to draw the triangle to, show yourself. So how about sine 42 degree? This is equal to cosine what?
Sine 42 equal cosine.
Okay, Ariel, for our first few tuition, don't wait too long until you ask a question. Yeah, don't wait too long.
Okay. Yeah. And yeah.
All right. I'll give you a clue. The clue goes like this. The
How do
quadratic
you
is almost known. Okay.
Wait, what do you say?
The clue is in -3 and 5. Is that enough
Oh,
hint? If not, I'll give you more.
yeah, I know. I'm supposed to like sub it in. Yeah.
But how, right? That's the question. All right. So Nicholas, you follow me for a while. Here's 42 degree, right? Now tell me what this is.
Oh.
You write down for me, right? Use the Jamboard for a while, Nicholas. Yeah, easier.
48.
48. Okay, you're correct. You're correct. Now, does that give you enough hint, or do you need more convincing? That should be the answer. You sub it in. You are not.
What?
No, I'm looking at Ariel's working.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait, they both intersect at the same thing, the same place. So I want to find like the y intercept first, right?
No, you cannot find the y-intercept because you don't have b.
Oh,
However, you have the x-intercepts, which is -3, 0 and 5, 0. There are two ways to
yeah.
use this. Focus on using them. You almost are going to use them and then you don't use them. I don't know what's going on here. Right? Focus on using. You don't know?
Wait, so just like
No, put this as 0. If this is the second method of using it, so put that as 0 lah. Did that make sense? Do you know why?
okay, yeah, I know.
Okay, so put that as 0, and then you have two unknowns. You cannot solve this, right? You have two unknowns. Here's number
Yeah.
1. Here's number 2, and that's not a problem because you have another one, another
Yeah.
equation. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Nicholas, last test, cosine 38. Last test.
Wait. Okay, now I get that the cosine sine 30 and the cosine sine that and cosine that one. I understand.
Good. 1 and 2 you understand. So last one, the cosine 1 is maybe a bit more confusing. Maybe. Can I explain the last one, or do you still want to talk about this first two? This first two, either you memorize or you understand.
By the
Still
way,
okay.
is that all there is for this first two?
Yes. In no matter what they mention about quadrant in EMATH, the point is you will only go to 180. In EMATH, things are simple. In EMATH, things are complicated. You will just need to compare 0 to 90, 90 to 180, and then that's it.
0 to 90, 90 to 180.
Meaning you only have to deal with angles from 0 to 180. Simple enough. Things that you have always been dealing with since Sec 1, even from primary 5. You have always been dealing with angles from 0 to 180. There's actually nothing new in EMATH, so to speak. Okay, I'm going to give you more clue, Ariel. So look at me.
Yeah.
Right, you should be using this. Now, this
Why
is my
you
hint. You're going to
question so much?
forget this for a while. Forget this for a while. Could you please solve for A and B? Can you do that?
Okay. All right.
Even if you feel some pressure, no pressure. Yeah? I am trying to catch up with where you are, right? I am happy to see these problems right now. That means I know where you are. Right? The trial doesn't tell me this detail, right?
Wait, what do I do?
If you have two equations and two unknown, what do you do? Does that make any sense?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, then let me see you do it. You can even use calculator, okay? Okay, Nicholas, the number 3 one lah. The number 3 one is the cosine thingy. They're actually also not very difficult at all. So like if you have cosine 20, you also have cosine 160 here, but for some strange reason, you need to put minus. I can explain to you why this is true. Do you want me to explain why this is true?
On your page, okay.
On the page.
Cosine. Yes.
Slightly different from sine lah. That's all there is. Right? It's just slightly different from sine. Right? So how do we deal with this lah, right?
Yeah.
All right, how do I explain this? So nothing complicated, nothing complicated. So the sine one doesn't have this. I'll show you why the sine one does not have this. The drawing of your teacher is already fine. So here's a angle, and we will call this the 0-degree angle, and we will therefore call this the 20-degree angle. So far, so good. The sine will deal with this this is coordinate. Remember that this is a coordinate. We have to imagine this as a coordinate. This is a 0, 1. So this will be your y-axis, and this will be your x-axis. Okay, would that be okay so far?
The y x. Oh, when you
Like
say
this.
y, I'm so used to calling it opposite, adjacent, everything that I really don't know how you say x or y.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Let me try to make it easier, I guess. Okay, Ariel, that's fine. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay, Ariel, good. That's -2. Right. Okay, sorry about that, Nick. Okay. Right. So I think of this primarily not as a triangle first, but I think of this as a coordinate. Okay. Let's imagine that for. Okay, give me a random coordinate of this point, please.
Coordinate 5.
Sorry, 4.
Five.
Sorry, what?
5.
Coordinate needs 2 numbers. Oh, come on.
0, 5. Wait, 5
This
0.
cannot be 0. Cannot be 5 0. So it has some x, it has
Oh,
some
you're
y.
talking about the corner. Oh,
Yeah, that
5
point.
5.
I'll make it 5 8. Can 5?
Okay.
No, actually I make it 5 2. Can 5 2. Okay, because it's not as high as the 5. Okay, can. Yeah. So this one must be your 2, right? And this one must be your 5. I hope that makes some sense. This is your triangle. Will this be okay so far?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're not very
I'm
focused.
drinking water.
All right. Okay. So let's pretend that this is 20 degree. It's not exactly 20 degree. Okay, I'm just bluffing here, but let's pretend this is 20 degree lah. Okay. Now let's use the 5,2 to explain 160. Okay. Now what is 160? 160 is on this side. Okay, sorry. On this side. There you go. On this side. And there you go. That's your 160. Ariel, I'm following your work, even though I'm talking to.
By the way, is there any logic in this, or is it just memorization?
If you just memorize, that's fine, but I'm explaining the logic for you. The
Yeah, but I
logic is
think I
very
need the
visual,
logic so I can understand.
right? You want the logic, right? The logic is visual, you see. That's why I'm drawing all this.
Sine is the easiest, but it's not like minus and everything. It's all the same. Not like cosine or tan.
Okay. Ariel, so far so good. You got the answer A and B, and soon enough, finding K. What's K? D. Oh yeah, D is probably gonna be fine. So you found your A and B. We already are running out of space, and that's normal. We just copy.
I moved to the next. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You know how to use Jamboard. Good. Now, Nicholas, the visual representation of 160 is like that. Okay. Let me confirm first with you. What will this coordinate be? Please tell me. What will be this coordinate? What is this coordinate?
That's gonna be -5, -2.
-5, comma, -2, you say?
Yeah.
No, -5, comma, +2. Please confirm.
Oh yeah, positive. Yeah.
This is a 2 and this is -5. And this explains both the sine and the cosine. One more time, this explains both the sine and the cosine. So look at this new triangle, this new 160 triangle. Your hypotenuse is here, hypotenuse is here. If you use this new triangle, which is 160, the sine is opposite over adjacent, correct? Opposite over, no, hypotenuse. The sine will be, the sine of 160 will be 2 over the hypotenuse, 2. Compare that with sine 20. Sine 20 is also 2 over hypotenuse. Let me emphasize that this is +2. When you use cosine, it becomes different. Cosine 20, you will use 5 over hypotenuse. But when you do cosine 160, you end up with -5
The thing
over
is,
hypotenuse.
the one I'm asking is, why would you ever do 160?
You mean in exam, or why do we even want to know this, or what? What do you
Yeah,
want?
because in if you have two triangle like this, right? I'll choose 160. It's not 20.
Very good question. Can I show you the exam question, or rather I'll make for you the exam question? What do you think? I'll make
Yeah.
for you. Yeah. So go to the next page. That's a good question. So they give you an obtuse triangle. That's the exam question. Now give me a random obtuse angle.
163.
Okay, 163, something like that. And then they do something like this. They do something like this, and then they do something like that. And then they give you this lah. They give you just a minute.
I already forget, but why would you need to? But what is the sine, tangent, cosine? You just forget.
There you go. Got it. Okay. Right. So 3 and 4. Okay. Yeah, Ariel. I mean, so far, yeah, so far so good. Easy stuff lah. A and B easy. How about your AD and how about your D? Before we continue, Ariel, is this what you want to ask me? Is this what you're concerned about?
Wait, honestly, I don't really know what I'm bad at math. I just know that in the exam I can't do it. Yeah.
Right now, I can already sense what you are not so good at just by observing you use the B and C. A bit wonky here and there, but you got it. That's the important thing. Can you find
honestly,
AD?
I don't know what I can't do in the exam. Yeah.
Show me how you find AD lah. Then show me.
Okay.
Okay. Show me for a while lah. For a while. Okay, we'll take it slow for a while because you say there's no exam until end of year, right?
Yeah.
All right. Then we will take our time and not be stressed. Okay.
Yeah, I think.
I think you're the stress type in exam lah. I think. I'm guessing lah. I'm guessing. So Nicholas, they will ask you something like this. They will ask you to find this one. No? They'll ask you to find sine 163 or cosine 163. Let's say cosine 163, and then also tangent 163. I'll just ask you the whole thing, right? Without using calculator. Without using calculator. It is quite easy to make this kind of question, and this is where you need that particular knowledge lah. Oh, no. Never mind. You know, let's not do 163. The easiest one is for you to simply put an x there. Sine x, cosine x, tangent x, but without calculator. Is it possible for you?
I don't even know why would you need to find. No, no.
Can or cannot? That's the question.
Possible.
Okay, now let me show you lah. Let me show you using the newfound knowledge lah, right? Newfound knowledge, right? So I'm gonna focus on y instead. Obviously, this is 5. Can I confirm? This hypotenuse is 5.
Yeah.
Right, because 5 square equals to 3 square plus 4 square lah. That's how I find it, right? Of course, right? Okay, now, sine y is therefore 3 over 5, right? Cosine y is 4 over 5. Tangent y is 3 over 4. So far, so good? Are you stuck, Ariel? Ariel, are you
Yeah,
stuck?
I don't know what to do.
Okay, let me give you the thing to think about. I don't give you any formula. I think your formula is actually good, Ariel. I don't think you're the type to forget formulas. I'll give you the thinking process, not the formula. The thinking process is this. If you want a line, you need 2 points.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know what the other point is because I don't know what
Visually, what's your target?
like A.
Good. Now tell me, point A, two coordinates has 2 number. This point A, we call it half coordinate. One of them is already known. Which one is known already?
0,
Which 0? The X or the Y?
X.
Okay, I'll put it there. All you have to do is
Yeah.
to find Y. I'm giving you a very short hint there. Can you do that?
Maybe, I don't know.
Right?
Oh, okay, wait.
The tangent one, they don't
Okay.
teach you in class, yeah, but I just tell you this is 3 over 4, but not in EMAT. So you don't have to worry about that for now. This is EMAT, and this is EMAT. But just saying.
Wait, what?
Now, what are
Oh,
you
wait.
using to
Tangent
find A?
is
Are you using the
so
line or are you
opposite over
using the
adjacent.
graph to find the
I don't
A?
know.
You have 2 options, right? Because the A crosses the line and crosses the graph, correct?
Yeah.
In
Okay,
this
wait,
case,
I'll use the curve. I'll use the curve. My brain's a
correct,
bit
because you don't, even know the line, so it doesn't make sense. Good. That's a good thinking process. So
laggy.
Nick, I just answer your question. This is the most basic form of EMAT they will ask you to do something like that. Let me summarize it for you, yeah?
That does not
I am using an acute triangle to find an obtuse triangle. That's all.
Oh, you're saying you're using this part to find this.
Yes. Acute to obtuse. Acute help you with obtuse. Obtuse, you cannot find directly, you see. That's the problem. The problem with obtuse triangle is you cannot find it directly. That's the problem. But you can use acute. And that's okay. That's the logic. I hope that makes sense. This will always happen in EMAT. That's just how they ask this. It's too predictable. Let's just see. Okay, good, Ariel. Good. So where's the line? Now you have 2 points, right? Good. Let me see how you do the line. Okay, Nicholas, if that's your question only, CMAT is done. If this is the only question,
No, okay.
That's the problem.
Let me read it myself first so I can answer.
Can. Because if you don't have any question, I'll just go for an exam question and show it to you, right? That might make it easy. You're finding the gradient. The gradient is a positive one. Okay, Ariel, sure thing. See, you're not the type to forget formula one. No.
I don't remember most of the trig things. I don't remember any formulas. Yeah.
No, you're fine. Trust me, Ariel. Trust me when I say you're fine. Your problem is something else. Problem is something else. See, even the way you use it is correct. Yeah. No, you're fine. Okay, you're fine. Now, the question is only this, how come you don't realize the C is minus 15? How come you don't realize that?
I have no clue. I don't know.
Put it this way, is it surprising to you that the C is minus 15?
Oh no, because it's the y-intercept. My brain is just laggy.
Right. But nothing wrong with you finding it, nothing wrong. There's also nothing. That's fine.
Wait.
Yeah, that's fine. Good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, good with the minus 15. Okay, good. So ABC is fine. It's the normal stuff. Part D is the most visual part, and let's see whether you can deal with it in the next page. This is super visual. I don't expect any formula. I expect more like a logic from you, right? Let go of formulas. Can you do it? Of course, I will help you if you cannot. Nicholas, just to confirm, you are okay. There's
okay,
really
wait.
nothing to
You
it,
go
you know.
to
It's not so
no,
complicated.
9. Okay, wait, can you go 9 here?
I wish you don't spend too much time here. I
Okay,
know
wait,
you're
no.
doing good right now, but
Tuaka says additional continues.
make
So
it
this
bigger is
is
good, Ariel. Good.
okay. This is cosine 20. Why would you, teacher? How is the cosine and the sine same thing? Isn't it? Why? How are they both the same angles?
Sorry, you mean my question or what?
It's
Sorry,
page 9.
page 9. Okay, my question lah. Sorry, my question. Okay. Uh, um, um, no, I'm just giving you an example.
Oh, I thought
I'm
it's
not
written
saying
in
that
the
cosine 20
words.
and I'm not saying that cosine 20 is the same as sine 20. Of course they're not. Of course they're not. Of course they're not. Ariel, you have a reading problem. Read again. You have a reading problem. You have a reading problem.
Cosine 20.
Oh, wait, oops.
Mhm.
Oh, no wonder it's negative because it's -5.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Minus 1. If you want the explanation, if you want. That's it.
So weird.
I agree with you that this feels weird. I agree.
Why does it look like a graph? Why is it like that? Why is it weird?
If you get it though, don't think too much. Because why? This is the exception I make. Because even memorizing is quite easy. Even this case, memorizing is quite easy. So don't make the understanding too complicated. Okay? Don't make it so. This one, take it easy, is E-math. In A-math, I will emphasize more understanding. That's it. E-math, this is enough. This is enough. I'm serious. This is enough. Even though it feels weird, if you can accept it, that's fine. The location of your E is great, Ariel. The question
Yeah,
is,
no, I think the idea is that because they'll have the same gradient. So yeah.
You're
Is
not
it?
wrong. That's the sec3 method.
Okay.
I'll show you the sec4 method, okay? So the sec4 method will be available for you in sec4, and it is a much easier method. When I say sec3, it doesn't mean it's harder. It's actually easier, okay? But this is not an official method. It is just a method that you will be able to use during O-level or rather your end of year sec4, okay? So I'm jumping the gun here because I believe you are a rather visual person and therefore this is advantageous to you. Nicholas, are we ready to move on?
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So this is the method, Ariel. The method is by drawing two triangles which are upright. Please notice that this is a 90 triangle which is upright.
Yeah.
This is a 90 triangle which is not upright. I don't want a not upright triangle. I want an upright triangle. Okay. Now this triangle, very easy to see. This is clearly 15 and this is clearly 3. Correct or not? Clearly.
But what is clearly 15?
I'm
Oh
sorry, I
yeah.
cannot.
Oh yeah,
Right?
yeah.
15 and 3.
Yes.
Clear to you, you're a very visual person, make use of that. Hey, this triangle is exactly the same, 3 and 15 also. Correct or not? Clearly.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
therefore, give me what is E using simple visual logic.
Uh, 2.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Just write down.
Oh, let me write it.
If you do have any other homework, let's leave this topic as it is, lah. That's fine. And you, Ariel, will be correct. I'll show
Yeah.
you the more formal presentation by Sec 4, but this is the best method.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Very good. Test you a little bit. Now, I'm gonna ask you A, B, E, C. Please do that. A, B, C is a parallelogram. I just changed the letter a bit. Go and find
Yeah.
the E. It's gonna be a totally different. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I just realized something. I just remembered.
What do you mean?
What you found is A, B, E, C. You found A, B, E, C. You did not find A, B, C, E. You are wrong. You accidentally found A, B, E, C. What's the rule here? A, B, E, C. You did not find A, B, C, E. Do you
Oh, it's
understand?
supposed to be the other way around. Oh yeah, oops.
Yeah. So go find
It's
A, B, C, E.
just the opposite thing. Yeah, you just
Something like
flip it. It's like mirror. It's like kind of. Wait.
Find your E first. Find your E first. Yes,
Okay.
Nicholas. Are we done with this topic?
So
I
in
mean, this
question
topic.
10, you have to use
Yes.
that invisible triangle 3, 4, and 5 to find y and use y and use that to find x.
Correct. In fact, in EMAT, they will make
But
it
why
visible.
is tangent only in A-math?
Because EMAT, they want to save the trouble. It's very confusing. Remember, you're AMAT student, you have no problem with this. Most EMAT student, not AMAT, does have problem with this. Ariel, your E is fine. Go and find it.
So tangents only
Okay.
is A-math.
Yeah,
That's
but I'm saying that tangent also very easy to do lah. Even though EMAT will never touch tangent. Never, never, never. It's out of the syllabus. They're very disciplined. In AMAT, they just freely use this pak pok, pak pok. Later you'll see lah. Later you'll see. But later. That's a term 40.
Yeah.
Ariel, the y coordinate is not 15. Be very clear. You're a visual person. Don't make this
Oh
kind of
yeah.
mistake. Again, Nicholas, can we let this go? It won't give you much trouble. I guarantee you. You are not the type to be troubled by this topic one. It's
okay.
gonna be
Then
okay.
let's do some.
Wait.
Let's do some more log if you don't mind. Ariel, E is below the x-axis. Come on. E is
Yeah, I
below.
know. Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah, minus 15.
Yeah, good. Okay. Don't underestimate yourself. You're underestimating yourself a bit too much, Ariel. You're also not using your full strength or advantage. You're a very visual person. The moment I tell you a bit hint, you already understand. That simply means you're underestimating yourself a bit too much lah. Okay? What you're lacking currently is not basic knowledge. I almost never teach you basic knowledge, Almost never, no. Did I mention to you formula? No. Did I mention to you how to find M? No. Did I mention to you, I don't know, how to solve two equations to unknown? No. But I have to
No.
tell you a little bit, and then you suddenly click. Your thought process is being disturbed. It's not the formula, it's not the math. You are harebrained lah when you're doing math. Kind of, something like that.
I guess.
Every pieces is there. The pieces are in your mind. I just have to order it a little bit. That's the basis of me saying you are underestimating yourself a little bit too much. A little bit too much. Okay? You're not bad in math. You are not orderly when you're thinking about math. I don't know how to say that. That's what I feel you're experiencing. Okay. Remember what I say, Ariel? The pieces are already in. If you're gonna learn something from me, you're gonna learn how to order your thoughts. That will benefit you. Okay. I'll give you one more, okay? Just to show you that you can do it. Okay, I will now ask you.
So teacher, yeah.
CBEA. Do CBA. I'm waiting for you for logarithm in the Jamboard, Nicholas. Right? Logarithm.
Oh, okay. What do
I
you
mean,
mean by
again,
in the
your
Jamboard?
email is fine one lah.
What do you mean the Jamboard?
Because you chose some logarithm question, remember?
Oh, already?
Already. We just didn't do much. Like, for example, page 4 is a good logarithm question. Page 5, we want to do 1 or 2 more, right? Okay, 4 and 5 lah. 4 and 5. I want you to do 4 and 5.
Okay. Can I have a break first?
Sure thing. CBE, yeah, that would be the right position, Ariel. Your thoughts are good. Visually, you're good. Now, use your triangle or invent a new upright triangle. Okay, the method I told you is the upright triangle thing, right? So,
Okay.
your answer is minus.
Wait. I don't trust myself. Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't, but that means you should simply check, right?
Great. Wait, no, I still think I'm correct.
We'll convince you that you're correct by drawing another upright triangle because the method is simply using upright triangles.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
Don't care that this method is never mentioned. Don't care, okay? Starting
Wait,
Sec 4, it will be super
wait,
valid.
wait,
So,
wait. I still think I'm correct. Yeah.
I know,
Yeah.
but do you
I
want
am.
an upright triangle? Yes, I see another upright triangle. Good. You
Wait,
should be
wait, I
drawing.
am. Wait, I'm still correct. Wait.
Of course you are.
Wait, am
Upright
I
triangle.
right or am I wrong?
Bro, upright triangle 5, 15, correct?
Uh,
5, 15. So this
yeah.
is the same upright triangle 5, 15 lah, correct? 5, 15.
Yeah. Oh, I am correct. Okay.
Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
I just wish that you will draw the 5, 15, but you're not used to it.
Oh.
Just get used to
Okay.
it. This is the
Yeah.
only new thing I teach you here. The only new thing,
Okay.
right? And that's not your fault, right? Because it's supposed to be Sec 4 stuff.
I did this some time ago.
You mean
I
by
don't
yourself?
remember.
By yourself? Or what?
Yeah.
You
Because
mean this question? You mean this question?
no, I did this like the triangle thing.
Ah,
Because in Sec 1 they made us do like tessellations or something. Yeah.
that works. That works. Okay. As long as it's upright, it'll work. It'll work. Good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you. By the way, if you draw the triangle right now and then you use the triangle, you are informally correct. They cannot say that you're wrong.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
You just have to wait until Sec 4 to be formal. If your teacher is not nitpicky, your teacher will acknowledge that you're correct. This is
Oh
way
yeah, my
much
teacher did
better
that.
than the. So she's not the nitpicky type.
No.
She's the quite open-minded one.
My school doesn't really penalize us for using like other formulas, as long as it's correct.
Good. Good. Then, good to know. Good to know. Okay. More freedom, more, how do I say, better format. Now, I'm happy that we go through this. I'm very happy to confirm that you are, the pieces are inside you lah. It's just that I will help you calm down a little bit, okay? And think a little bit more. Do you want to do 1 or 2 more questions?
I think I want to move on to logs. Yeah.
Sure. Logs. Logs are totally different beast. Now, I still prefer you take your own question, but if not, I will show you my stash of questions. They'll be super hard lah. What do you want?
Wait. Both logs.
You take one of yours, then after that let's do mine. Okay, maybe one should be good enough. Make sure that this is beyond what your class is studying. Make sure to take a question beyond what your class is studying. If you do not know where your class is, then make a guess lah. Make a guess. Not far beyond, just slightly beyond. That's all.
Wait, but I don't have any questions from beyond what my class is studying.
Like the textbook doesn't help? No.
I don't have a textbook. Wait.
You don't have that. Oh, okay, right, okay.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Might as well, I'll do something, okay? So first of all, I'm gonna share my Google Drive with you. I share that with all my students, right? So my Google Drive contains prelim questions. There are no basic questions, The only question I have are prelim questions. Surprisingly, when I discuss with my student, no matter what, we end up talking about 2 or 3 exam questions before the class start the topic. To make them comfortable. It is possible to do that. That gives them confidence to listen to the class, so to speak. Right? Okay. So I'm not sure whether that's your problem or not, but I'm just telling you that is what we do. Now, AMath. I'm sharing with you a Google Drive. I don't know your. Wait, I don't know your.
Wait, I'll send you my email or WhatsApp.
Let me confirm that your preferred email is the one you use for Jamboard. The Ariel Yo Shanting. Is that the preferred one?
Wait, I don't know what email I'm using for this.
Ariel Yo Shanting
wait, yeah.
2020. That thing, okay.
Yeah, you can use that.
I'm gonna copy that. How am I going to copy? I cannot copy that. Please wait. Copy, please. Okay, I got it. Okay. Dun dun. All right. I have shared with you a folder called O-Level A Math. Please find it in your Google Drive.
Got it.
Okay. So if you enter that folder, you'll see Sec 3 stuff, Sec 4 stuff. Take a random paper. Any
Wait.
random year, any random paper is fine.
Okay.
Okay. You would have noticed, Ariel, that in this tuition, I don't get a chance to prepare whatever question you're asking me.
Okay. Okay.
I don't have an answer key. I have to answer based on experience and knowledge. If that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah.
The Google Drive I'm sharing you, I
Yeah,
also don't look at it. You're saying?
Yeah, I picked I opened the 2019 AMAth MGS one. Yeah.
Oh, that one. Okay, sure. Go and find the logarithm question and screenshot it here.
All
Right.
right.
I have no idea what that question will be, and I do not remember the answer key. Right.
Okay.
Do you have trouble screenshotting? Sometimes iPad user have trouble. You tell me,
Oh
okay?
no, I'm just looking for the question.
Logarithm question should be easy to spot. If you have difficulty spotting, please tell me.
Oh yeah. Oh no, because I had to go through the paper one first to get to paper two.
Oh, right. Oh yeah, which is why Sec 3 is better. Yeah, never mind. Next time.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh,
If you look at the folder, you will see some Sec 3 folder, and that will be slightly easier to find. Okay, next time just use Sec 3. It's okay.
oh okay. Wait, how come I can't find it?
Really?
Wait, let me find this.
Okay, I'm gonna go in
I'm just gonna
2009.
pick a random paper, random new paper. Yeah.
Sure. As a standby, I'll also find it for you. I put something in question 9, but I want you to also find it yourself first, just in case you cannot.
Wait. I think I should look for Sec 3 paper because a lot of the Sec 4 ones have differentiation and I don't know how to do that.
Correct. Maybe just look for Sec 3. Maybe better for now.
Yeah, because wait, I can't find a I don't know. Wait, where is it? Let me see.
Take your time. Relax. Take a breath. See, you're panicking already.
I think you only shared with me the O-level A math.
That's weird. No, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, we'll talk about it later. Okay, technical problems, not worded one. Okay, I have a log question there, 3A and 3B. This is very standard prelim questions. And question 4 is just for me, curious. I want to know your alpha and beta. I haven't taught alpha beta for a long time, so I gotta get my feelings straight. I have to feel how good you are. So let's ignore alpha beta. Let's talk about logarithm for now. Okay. This is 3-mark question. 3-mark question we're going to ignore right now. We're going to focus on the 5-mark question. Would that be okay?
Okay.
In logarithm, a few things matter. The basics matter. The basics are in this and log cancel each other. Okay? In this versus log. The 3 laws matters. The 3 laws, I think you're fine. And then the 2 strategies. The 2 strategies are very, very simple and works all the time. Base the same. Base of the log should be the same. And use let whenever it is possible. I'll show you later what it means. Look at question 3b for 5 marks. So simple. Is the base the same or not?
No.
Then the first thing you do without thinking much. Let me repeat it. You don't
Yeah,
think
change your
much.
base.
Just make the base. Yeah. Now, but which one we have to choose? What base
Two,
do
two,
I
two.
aim for? Base 2.
Two.
You're aiming for base 2. Okay, then you gotta base change this guy lah. Now show me your skill. Base change that guy, please.
Okay. Wait.
Are you back? No, no. Nicholas is in a
Yeah,
very
I'm
good
back.
situation. Nicholas, yes. I was just telling Ariel, you're in a very good situation. That's why you take a lot of breaks. And I cannot forbid you because you are in a good situation.
What do you mean?
But come, let's go back to log.
Yes.
Let's maintain
Let me
your,
take my book, my notebook.
Sure thing. Waiting for you in page 4. Okay, Ariel. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
You forget how to base change?
No,
No
no, no.
problem.
I remember how to do it. I remember how to do it.
Good. Okay, good. Good. And that is correct.
Yeah.
All right. Now I'm gonna stop you there. Of course, you're correct. Okay. Of course, you're correct. Okay. Now I'm gonna say that this is immediately equal to 1. Okay. Can?
Yeah. I know that.
Good. And then I'm going to do a power law. Power law exit.
A what?
I'm gonna
Oh,
exit the
power law.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna move that to the front. Okay.
Now, sometimes I move things in, sometimes I move things out. In this case, I want to move things out. Now, why? Why? Because after making the base the same, keeping it simple, I cannot combine the logarithms. The most practical goal of making the base the same is I want to combine the log so that the log kind of like from 2 log become 1. From
Yeah.
2 log become 1. And I cannot do that here. So
Yeah.
I will now try to do the second strategy. The second strategy is let. Let goes like this. Let logarithm, choose a base 2, choose an inside, becomes y, right? Simple
Oh
strategy.
yeah.
To do
And
this,
in this case, you make log base 2 to yeah.
then it kind of works lah. I'm basing it based on strategy. So the promise is this, once you do this, if you don't see it reduced to CMAT, sorry, you call it CMAT. If you don't see the question reduced to CMAT, then something is wrong already. But if you see, this is a CMAT question now, then you are on the right track. Now look at this. Is this a CMAT question? Good. Now you do it lah. Now you do it.
Yeah.
Good. Go take your 5 marks. Nicholas, I am waiting for the page 4. Very slow today. Very slow. Not too slow, please. You're good. You're in a good situation, but not that slow, please.
Page 4, right? Yeah.
Come on.
Wait, haven't we done 7? Wait. Yeah, we done.
You already have done 7. I mean, good for you.
We've done 5, 7.
Good.
And 10.
Then page 5 lah. No, you haven't done everything on page 5. I want you to do 10. You already did 1 only. You only did 1. I want you to do A and C. You already done
I've not
B
done
only.
C. I've done A though.
Okay, good. Then C lah. Then do C. I don't mind. C is an exam level question.
Yeah.
Ariel, okay, no, Ariel, okay, this is
Is
wrong.
it?
This is wrong.
Okay.
So this is wrong. Okay, according to the power law, I move the 2
Oh, you
here.
moved it to front
So
already.
now
Oh,
this is 2.
yeah.
Right. So
Yeah,
be
yeah.
careful.
Oops. Yeah.
Okay, if you run out of space, just
Yeah, move to the next slide. Yeah. Remember. I know.
now time to activate your CMath Ariel. This is no longer A math. Now, in terms of CMath,
No need to actually
techniques
try
are
to
much
remember how to do it.
simpler. What are we supposed to do here, right? What are we supposed to do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Teacher, let me try to remember how to do this together.
Oh, please, because simultaneous logarithm and indice is not easy lah.
2p times 4q equal. Isn't q just 0 and p just 2?
Oh.
Or 2 just 0 and 4 1?
No. I tell you that's not right at all. You don't expect to find the P and Q directly when they are
No. I know.
simultaneous
I'm just making some guesses. I'm not saying it's not my I'm not saying.
Okay, then not the right direction. Not the right. It's a good guess, but it's not the right direction. You gotta do something else.
It's just one thing like.
No, Ariel, are you like,
Yeah.
do you prefer cross method or what here? Because
Yeah.
most people,
Cross method.
are you sure you can cross method something like this? It is possible, but are you sure?
Yeah. I'm quite sure of that. I think so. Yes.
Oh wow. Okay, I would like to see that. My first time seeing a student cross methoding this. Okay, let's see. I'm curious.
Wait.
That's
Okay.
0. That's 0.5. 2p times 4q. 2p times.
Make the base the same first,
4q.
Nicholas. Come on.
4q
Basic
equal
strategy. Base the
Wait,
same.
I'm trying to see if I write it correctly.
Oh, okay.
And log 4, 3q plus 11 minus log 4p. Okay. Now let's see if I can remember how to do this because I cannot remember. I think one a week.
Wait, Ariel, sorry, what happened here? Sorry, Ariel. Sorry. Wait, stop. How did this happen? How did 1 over y
Wait.
become half times y?
There's
How did that
something
happen?
wrong. Oh, wait. Something. Wait. I did it wrongly. Wait. Oops. Oh, okay. Wait.
2p times 4q equal 4 and log 4 3. How do you do the first part?
You mean the first equation, right?
Oh
Okay,
wait,
the
never
basic.
mind now. Wait, I can't just make 4 into a 2.
Yes. Same base. Yes, same base. Good. Basic strategy. Usually works. Change that also. Good. Then what do you have?
Then
Okay, Ariel, I'm gonna tell you the basic equipment for CMath. Yeah, CMath don't have much strategy one, but CMath have very important technique called Doldor. Doldor is something you know already. Whatever you do to the left, you must do to the right. Okay. Whatever you do to the left, you must do to the right. Now,
Okay. I think I was
can I
supposed to
see
square.
that?
Oops.
Don't square. No. Don't square. No. It's okay. No. Let's just say that I guess you don't like the 1 over y. Because you keep focusing on that. Okay. So now, in terms of door, you can do whatever you want as long as you do to the left what you do to the right. So to take care of your problem,
Times by y.
that's why lah. Times y will take care of
Yeah.
problem. So tell me, what does it become? The left and the right.
68. This is 8. No.
Okay, Nicholas, you're doing so far so good.
No,
No.
I'm not.
No, you're correct. No, Nicholas, wait, what are you doing? What you're doing is excellent.
No.
Really no.
No. Wait. Oh. I
What you're
wrote
doing is
something wrong on
great.
my calculator and thought I was wrong. No,
Uh-huh.
like you know how you're supposed to like check see if like what I'm doing is correct on the calculator, like test.
Yeah.
I think I wrote something wrong, and that made me think I did something wrong. So it's not. I wrote plus several times.
So you gotta simplify after this. You gotta simplify one more time. Nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, I was waiting for that. Okay, good. First one done.
Now log 4 3q plus 11 equals
Alright.
Is that a minus or plus, Eric?
I mean, I remember I've done this.
Minus.
Let me see if I can.
Okay, then
Yeah.
go ahead and write down the result would be y minus 1, sure, 2y plus 1. And I agree with you. Okay?
Oh, they're both logs. I can just do.
I mean, the base are already the same, Nicholas. The base are already the
Yeah, I
same.
know. Yeah, but they're both the same. So I just realized.
Yeah, do that. Yeah, nice, do that. And then on the left-hand side, you have to
Then I can
complicate
just
your
do the
4 power.
classic.
4 power, yeah, 4 power.
4 power, which is just be this.
Okay, now
Wait,
Ariel, so far
No.
so good. This is not 5
Right.
marks. This is at most 3 marks. Now tell me why.
What?
This is
Wait,
at
I
most 3
haven't
marks.
solved it yet.
Very good. Because when you
Yeah, I
let,
know.
you must unlet, right?
I
You
know.
must unlet.
So there's still the log base to 5x plus 3 thing.
All right,
Yeah.
let me see that.
Equals, wait, what's that again? 1 or minus half. 1 or minus half.
All right,
Yeah.
Nicholas, what are you supposed to do here? You're on a very good track here. What are you supposed to do? Very, very good track. Wonderful. What do you do?
Yeah, then what do you say?
What do you do here, right? What do you do? That's the
I
question.
just continue.
Yes, can you?
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
That's nice, Nicholas. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. That's fine. That's great. Sure. Yeah, sure.
now
What
that's
you
actually
want.
really convenient. I can just do plus.
Oh, very nice. Yes, very good. Very convenient. Good.
Okay, let me just do the p plus 2q plus 3q minus 2p equal 2 minus 11. Because of
Which is
2
fine. That's
plus minus 11. Making here.
nice. That's fine. Ariel, are you stuck?
What?
Eh?
No.
No, go ahead.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
I'm
Oh
not.
no, it's not convenient. The p is different way. Oh, it's minus 2p and 1p. Okay, no.
Oh, it's the Q, which is okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's fine lah. I can just times 2. Not that big of a deal.
Good, Ariel. Good.
When you flip.
Looking good. Looking good.
So this will be 2p minus 2p, 4q plus 3q, 7q is
Nice.
4 plus minus 11. So q is equal to minus
Good, Ariel. Good. Nice, Nicholas. Nice.
1.
Nice. Good.
So be p
Good.
plus 2.
Yeah, Ariel. Come on, Ariel. Come on.
So if
Yeah.
q equals minus 1, that means it'll be p plus 2 minus 1 equal to,
P equals to?
that will be p minus 2 equal to, and that should be p equals 0. Oh wait, p equal 4.
No. No. Okay, good,
And I can
Ariel,
just,
so far.
I can just like fact check this very easily. Yeah, that's done. Easy.
Okay, good. Can check the answer key for now. Use your advanced. Ariel, are you stuck? Just checking.
No.
Okay, good.
Not yeah, not yet. Wait, I can use calculator for these questions, right? Yeah. Okay.
But AMAT hit calculator. So
Mhm.
you may want to just keep it as 2 power half lah, minus half. A-math hates it when you use calculator.
Mm. Yeah.
But you do want to find out whether it's a minus or not. I suppose you do want that lah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, so I
So
can use
Nicholas,
calculator.
for calculator, yes, it's just that you don't kind of display it in your presentation. You can use it for confirmation. For example, this x is clearly a negative. Usually you
Yeah.
are actually both x's are a bit negative, so you're kind of a bit more self-aware about this.
Yeah.
More self-aware.
So do I need to do I like use my calculator to get the answer or like?
I mean, currently your answer should be simply this is 1/√2 lah, right? 1/2. First of all, your A-math will expect you to write down this way. This one to this one. This is back to your cert. If you don't remember, I'll do it for you first. So
Yeah,
and
don't
then just follow me first. Then your A-math will expect you to write down this way for now.
Okay.
Okay, now the question is whether this answer and the answer number 1 is acceptable or not. That's the question. That means sometimes you have to be aware that there's a rejection. You have to reject certain things.
Yeah.
Nicholas, have you
Well,
checked the answer?
what the question?
I already know what the answer. That is correct. I don't even need to check the answer here.
Good. Now, Nicholas, do you want to try exam level question? Should be good enough.
Don't I already have an advanced question?
No, exam level question. Google Drive already.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. I'll just give you, okay? I'll just give you, right? Just give you. Ariel is doing that right now. It's not the hardest one, but it is a prelim question. So it counts for some, counts for something. Now, Ariel, how do you find whether you're supposed to reject or not, right? What's the logic here?
I think you will reject. Like, wait, let me write in another color. Like, wait, you wrote in red. I'm gonna write yellow when I reject. Wait, I think you would like reject this one.
But why? Why do you reject this one?
Because it's like I forgot what they called it. Irrational number.
No, that's not an irrational number. That's a fine
What
number.
it's called.
Hey, wait, it is irrational. I'm sorry, it is irrational. I'm sorry, it is irrational, but it is not imaginary lah, right? It is not imaginary. So this is that's not grounds for rejection, I guess. That's not grounds.
Let me see. I don't remember what the question was. Oh, okay. Wait, you moved the question over.
I think probably both are fine.
I don't know why we rejected.
Okay, I think probably both are fine, but I'm gonna do a check. Okay, so Nicholas, you have your question already, in page 11. So go to the next page, Ariel. The answer is currently x equals to minus half, and then x equals to this one minus 3/5, right? Let me see one more time. I think everything is correct. Okay. Now, this is how I sorry. Mistake.
Oh wait. Let me.
This is how I will check.
Log 2 5x plus 3 squared minus log 5x plus 3 to equal 1. Log log 2 5x plus 3 5x plus 3 2 minus.
So Ariel, if you
log 5x
put a negative, I'm sorry. This one doesn't have to be. I'm sorry. The one here doesn't have to be what we're talking about. Right? Only this one. Must be positive. Okay. Of course, they're the same thing. It's just that this one, if it is negative, you square it, it becomes positive. So that's okay. Technically, it's fine now. So Ariel, the only problem is the base also must be positive. Log cannot handle a negative base. So that's the only thing I'm checking right now. So all I'm
Okay.
checking is whether 5x plus 3 is positive or not. Then I put in minus 1 over 5. Positive or not?
Mhm.
Then this is final.
Yeah.
Teacher.
I put in this one. Yes, Nicholas, can you do
Can I
it?
do
It's
this
not
one?
very difficult. Yes, please do it. I mean, it's not a very difficult one for 5 marks.
No, can I do like this?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, great. Sure, but I'm not sure what's the benefit, but it's fine to me. Fine, right? It's fine right now.
I'm
Fine right now.
testing things out
Oh, test is good. Okay, you're advanced. You should be.
because, like, honestly, this feels like more harder than things I've usually done. It might not
Only
be
slightly.
hardest, but it's harder.
Slightly. Only. So Ariel, is that positive or not?
What do you mean?
If the first answer, no problem, right? Minus 1 over 5.
Yeah.
Second answer must go
Yeah.
through the same checking. So does the second answer gives a positive 5x plus 3? You gotta check out yourself.
No, it doesn't. It gives like no, it doesn't.
I cannot hear you, sorry. You think?
Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't.
No, it is positive. Wait, how do you check? Wait, how do you check?
Really?
It is
I don't know. I
positive.
put it into my calculator.
And you should do that. Yes, you should do that. But it is definitely positive. Now, how do I know?
Oh,
Okay, let's
I don't-
compare notes. Okay, now how am I sure that it is positive? Oh, I just use a manual way. So 5 half minus 3 times 5, right?
Log 5x plus log
but I gave
5x 5x plus 3 5x plus 3.
Okay, it's positive.
wait, but it gave me a negative number, but I don't know.
Check one more time. If you still find a negative number, I want you to take a picture of your
Okay, I'm
calculator.
gonna take a photo of the calculator.
Yeah. Even calculator skill can be an issue. So take a picture, send it to me. Okay, Nicholas. Oh, wait, what? What? How did that happen? Oh, that's what? How did that happen?
Am I doing too much?
Nicholas, I think you copied the question wrongly. Sorry, what? I think you copied the question wrong. I think. Wait, let me check. Oh no, wait. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, but are you doing too much? I think so. Because I think so. I think this one might not lead you anywhere because the base is not the same. That's the basic problem here, right? The base is not the same. You cannot progress too much. The base the same is usually still a requirement lah in logarithm question, if that makes some sense. Okay, I'm checking it out. Yes, of course, Ariel, that is a negative. I know that, but that's not the problem in your
How do you make
Gen 4.
the base the same
This
here?
Wait.
is positive, not the x. This must be positive, not the x.
Oh, okay.
Make sense or not? Logic.
Yeah.
It's not the x which is the problem. Nicholas, how do you make the base the same? Or rather, base change what? You should simply decide, hey, I want this base. I want everybody to have the same base. Isn't that a simple decision for you?
Yeah.
That might do you good. You give it a
No,
try.
how do you make it same?
Base change? You mean base change? You know base change.
I forget. Okay, let me find it.
What do you mean by you forget? That's what you're practicing. Go and see it. Ariel, is it positive or not?
I forget how to be.
Yeah. Oh,
Calculate.
okay. Yeah. It's correct. It's correct.
If that is positive, no matter how ugly the answer is, should be acceptable. Should be acceptable.
Oh. You mean the fraction? Yeah.
Yeah, the fraction thing, right?
Yes,
So
correct.
wait, base change the log 2 or the log 5x plus 3?
That's up to you. You gotta choose a base to make the same lah. You have to choose. Okay, let me see your choice.
I have to choose. I'll do the
Ariel, choose an easier one, please, Nicholas.
wait,
Choose an easier.
teacher. This part over here is the bottom, right?
Okay.
Then this part over here is the top, right?
No, the inside, not the top, the inside. Yeah. You just
Wait,
check
sorry,
just
what?
check the question. Just check the question. Just look at the question. If you're confused, look at the question.
No, I'm saying this part over here is the bottom, like in the fraction, the bottom and the top.
Oh yeah. That's what you mean. Yes, correct. Good.
The base is the
Okay.
bottom and that thing's the top.
Yes, Nicholas. Yes.
Yes.
Now, Ariel, this is a prelim question. It's not that hard, but it is definitely worth 5 marks. I'm very clear.
Okay.
Now, you think about the thought process from start to finish. Just make sure you're comfortable with what you're doing.
Okay.
Just review everything first, right?
Oh yeah, I can do it, I guess. But at certain points I'll get like I don't know, I'll get like confused and then I'll make careless mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about that right now. Why do I say that? Because tomorrow is not exam. If tomorrow is exam, you are in big trouble. Because you don't have time to solidify what you understand. But right now, I think maybe we are slightly ahead of class, just slightly. So, of course,
my class has moved on to exponential, like the graph. Yeah.
yes, let me give you a good news. The exponential graph is the easier part. We're going to ignore that for now. The easier part. Okay, just easier part. Just easier part. Do you have any homework for logarithm from the last class?
Probably.
What do you mean by probably? Hey, what do you mean by probably?
I think I did. I probably didn't do it.
You probably.
Let me find it.
Yes,
Teacher,
let me
teacher.
just find it.
Why have to
Yes,
the
Nicholas.
base shade?
No, you're doing fine actually, Nicholas. Please notice that log base 2 is 1. Please notice that.
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah, so kind of simplify your life, right? So, and now you have the same base, which is good, right?
No. But what did you do now?
Yeah, I know. Right now, the law is not helping you. Right now, the law is not helping you. The second strategy helps you. So you apply the first strategy, which is base the same. The second strategy is let. Okay, let. Ring no bell. Let. Ring no bell.
I know what that means.
Okay, so I'll give you the idea because let is supposed to make your life easier if you do it. So let. Please notice that both logarithm is base 2 and both had an inside 5x plus 3, right? Okay. If you do this, it should make your life much easier.
But then that one is 5x plus 3 squared.
Which power law will help you? No?
But that just means it'll be y squared.
No. Kick the power out. That's a very common amateur mistake. Kick the power out.
You mean
Kick
like
the
times
power
it
out.
away?
Power law can go in, can go out. Come on. I know it doesn't make sense, but that's what the power does, right? Can go in.
You mean like wait, let me. You
Look
mean
up the
like
power law again.
this, right?
Actually, I cannot see. Sorry. Camera out. Camera out. Put the two. No. Come on. Put the two outside. Power law.
Huh?
Power law. Hey, you forgot your power law already. Okay. My last teaching for you. Come on. My last teaching for you. The two can go out like that one. Power law.
What two?
The two here can go out. Power law.
Oh.
Power law. Come on. I know it doesn't make sense.
No. I understand. I forgot. That's why. I told you. It was after like 1 week. I forget everything.
Nicholas, your homework. You do, yeah? Okay, we gotta end this one. Okay, but that is your homework. Go and get your 5 marks. Okay? Ariel, do you have homework or not?
Bye.
Bye, Nicholas. Do you have homework or not?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I think I can do it. Yeah.
Yeah. I was asking your plan. Now, do you plan to do it? You want to try?
Yeah, sure. Wait, I'll take a photo of it.
But formally time is up. So I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
1.5 hour, very long, very tiring or not?
No, not really.
Good. You have to think about this for next week. Is 1.5 hour right now enough for you?
I don't
Every
know.
week lah. Okay, so you think about it for next week. Okay, we're just
Yeah.
gonna end here first. Third question
Okay.
is the promise true? There are two of us, but it doesn't matter that there are two of us.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Good. You're not too bothered by the noise lah, because two-person talking that kind of thing.
No, not at all.
I want to see your logarithm homework next week.
Okay.
And
I
next
can
week,
show it to you now. Yeah, I think I should do it because I haven't. I think because like the term is up, I think I'm gonna do like all my undone work like this week so I can hand it in.
yeah. That will be a progress. Your teacher would be happy, I
My
suppose.
my teachers don't really keep track of like work that we hand in or don't hand in. So oops.
My
Yeah.
kind of teacher. Okay, good. All right.
That's
Yeah. For today, I would say not so bad. Okay, not so bad. Simply because we try one logarithm question. Simply because of that. Okay. Okay. I'll see you next week. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Keston, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, Keston. Updates, please, Keston.
Right.
Your mic cannot make it. Your mic cannot make it.
Wait, I go see if I have extra.
Extra. Sure. Now you sound better.
Hello?
Keston?
Yeah.
Mic, is it? Is it a new mic?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Hey, sounds much better, sounds much louder, right? Is the mic convenient for you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's try to use this mic today and let's see what happened, okay? Right, updates please, Keston, as per usual.
Got back both paper.
Got back both paper. All right,
Yeah.
tell me how it goes. Tell me how
I
it
think
goes.
physics got like B3.
Physics
chem-
got B3. Okay, give me
Yeah.
the percentage instead.
It's like 65.
65%. How do you feel about
Yeah.
that?
Not good.
Not good. You were expecting much more, right? You're
Yeah.
expecting much more. And time to talk about physics, probably, right? Probably.
Yeah.
Right? Understood. Chemistry?
Chem I got like, I think E something.
E something. Give me
Yeah.
percentage. Give me percentage.
I don't know, cause like combined with practical.
Combined with, oh, it's a practical thingy.
No, and then like plus actual paper.
Then the actual paper only. The actual paper only.
Like
Any
I
idea?
don't remember. I know I
That
failed.
means, oh, paper. Now, that means you don't have it with you yet, the paper.
Not yet. No.
Physics also no. Physics also no.
Physics, I think I have.
Okay, you send me the physics. Send me the physics.
Okay.
As in, take picture and everything.
Yeah.
We talk about what we can first lah. We talk about what we can.
Do you want me to take picture or like just use phone?
Yeah. You just send everything using the phone, something like that. If you can
Okay.
cam scanner, better. If not, just take everything lah.
Okay.
Okay. Cam scanner is slightly easier for me. You do what you can.
Hello?
Yes, Kirby, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Very nice mic. Is this your
Okay.
is this your new laptop mic?
It's the new MacBook.
MacBook is different, isn't it? MacBook mic
Yeah.
is different. I like it. I'm already liking it. Good. Eh. Hey, so Kirby, let me confirm you. I guess you don't have your phone stand there, lah, right? Am I correct?
Yeah, I joined.
Okay, so when you go back home, you just bring your. Is that a good idea? Yeah, I think you should just bring it there, lah.
Okay.
That's one. So we have phone stand right now. Okay, what do we do? Huh. I guess we can do normal Jamboard using your MacBook Air, lah. Is the MacBook Air giving you trouble?
Nah.
Okay, good. Now, what about you, right? What's
Yeah.
happening? How's your first day in your new school?
It's okay.
Sounds good. Tell me more. Come on.
Uh, I don't know. The environment's nice, yeah, I guess.
Expected, as expected, I guess.
Yeah.
What else? What else? Tell me more. Don't be so stingy.
I don't I did the computer science today. I don't know.
Computer science.
This
Whoa.
business
Okay. How does
study.
that? Yeah. Whoa. Two new subjects. So how does that go?
Yeah, the business is a lot like POA, but like with more stuff added.
You mean we have to know POA also?
Uh, it's like related, but it's not. You don't need to know most of the POA stuff.
Oh, as in good stuff lah. I mean, you like business studies lah, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Good to know. Right. How about the computer science then?
I don't know, it's interesting, but it looks very, very difficult. Like, yeah.
Send me a picture of yours. Maybe use your phone, right? Use your phone. Just send me a picture
Yeah.
of your what a computer science knows lah. If you don't mind sharing, yeah.
The notes. What?
Yep, the notes. Yeah. No.
Uh, I don't really like, you mean like what I have on my computer? I just have the Google Classroom.
Oh, there is no paper or nothing.
Yeah, no paper, yeah.
Okay. Okay lah. Maybe send me something from the Google Classroom, right? Maybe do that. Oh, Keston, you sent me something already. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Okay. Okay, Keston, I'm just reading it first, yeah. This is physics. Okay. Right. Okay, a bit surprising. Okay. The topic is almost complete. Keston, is that your normal handwriting in exams?
What do you mean? Like what
Like
question?
the section B one, the long answer. Is that your normal handwriting?
No, that was cause like I keep switching pen cause knowing.
The color is fine. The color is fine, but the writing itself.
No, cause like I was very rushed cause I like my pen knowing.
Correct. That's why I asked. It feels like the person writing it is very chaotic. It feels like that. The reason is because of the pen, really.
Yeah, I used like 5 different pens.
And what exactly happened? 5 different pens?
No ink.
4 of your 5 pens no ink, really? Yeah.
It's like sometimes have ink, sometimes no ink.
Hey, have you fixed that?
Yeah.
Okay. Not the nicest thing to happen. Not the nicest thing to happen. The questions are tough. That much I can say. The questions are tough. Tough to read, tough to do. But that's SST. That's just how life is. Just a very small encouragement. If you can do SST question, O level will seem like a walk in the park. Seem like it. But that's a small comfort because SST questions are simply difficult. Simply so. Expected, right? That's expected. Okay. I've already seen your physics. If you want to discuss, of course, can, but you already the correction. So do you want to discuss any particular question? Just to clarify.
We discuss 6
Six. Which one is 6?
for MCQ.
Oh, 6 MCQ. All right. Okay, I'll screenshot for you. Kirby, just confirm, are you okay?
Yeah. Wait, what do you want me to show you? I'm like setting up the mic.
Just send me anything you have from the Google Classroom regarding the computer
Okay.
science, if that makes sense. So I can check things out a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. Keston already put the question 6 MCQ lah. I read. Okay, right. Okay. So what is your question actually?
How come Y doesn't light up?
Oh, right. So now, of course, they call this light emitting diode, and it's a lamp lah. But the question is, do you know what diode means? They're testing you on diode.
It's like one way.
Okay, so if X lights up and Y does not, then obviously this is the current low, and this is therefore no current lah. Correct? No
Yeah.
current. Correct? Makes sense. So therefore, the current is like this low. Nowhere else lah. Correct? The current is like that.
Yeah.
So using that, then you use your thumb rule lah. Your right hand thumb rule lah. Your
But
thumb
where's the
points.
force?
You use the wrong hand rule. You're thinking about the wrong thing. That's your problem. Okay, so one more time. I'm sorry, I'm
Oh,
gonna use my video, right? So you see this as my left hand, isn't it? So like left
it's
hand, is
fine.
it? Is it my left hand or my right hand to you?
Left.
Okay, then right hand, correct? Right hand, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, right hand. Okay. So I'm referring to this, the thumb curly one, thumb curly. Your left hand rule is your Fleming. Okay, lah. You can say there are three things. In the right curly hand rule, there's only one and two things. I think you mistaken something already. You understand?
Yeah.
So like that, lor. And because of that, obviously on the top, it's going into the paper. The answer is A.
Okay.
Now, my question is, why would you mistaken this for that? Sorry, this for that. You complicate a simple thing. Usually it's the other way around. Usually people have to use this and then people use this one. But you are supposed to use this one and then you try to think about this one. Why did you mistake that? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not going to happen again? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you
No,
sure?
no.
Because just now, even just now, you asked me about force. So until just now, you were mistaken. Are you sure you're okay? Very
Yeah.
sure? All right. I'll give you my
Sure.
version of the explanation. This one is used when you have a current and an external magnet. This one is magnet caused by its own current. There are no two magnets here, so to speak. The magnetic field is caused by this current. This one, there is current and there is a different magnetic field, the one not caused by this current. I hope that makes some sense.
Yeah.
Am I confusing? Okay. In this case, definitely not this because you don't see an external magnet, right? Good question. Anything else?
No.
Okay. We'll talk about chemistry soon. Caston, do you have any homework?
No.
Okay. Do something first. I want to clarify something in Kirby. So yeah, Kirby's in a different
Sure.
situation. I need to clarify something. Yes, Kirby, what is it?
Can I just screenshot instead of like sending you photos?
Is it like super long? Like
It's just like what do you want to see? You want to see the notes, right?
I guess I want to see
I'll just show you
everything
the
you can
Google
give me.
Classroom. Yeah.
Uh yeah, if you can download the files and give it to me, that's the easiest way. Lah.
Download it. Or
If it is possible. Lah. I don't know whether it's possible or not. That's just the easiest way, I think.
yeah.
Then I can read everything and roughly know where you are already, right?
But I think it's better if I can just screenshot. Can I? Like,
Try a
'cause I
bit.
don't have
Okay.
like I don't have WhatsApp on my like I don't have anything.
Oh, no,
So,
hey, web WhatsApp. Hey, come on, web. Oh, wait. Right now, do you have your phone on?
yeah. I mean I could, but like
Your phone haven't. It's
cancel
not
out.
taken.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not taken by the door master or something. Not yet, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Do a web WhatsApp, please, and then send me the file using that. Would that
Okay.
be okay? All right, easier.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Keston. Just roughly, because you don't have the paper, roughly. What do you think about the chemistry paper? Not the practical one, just the paper one first. Tell me what you think.
I like don't really remember people.
After you do the paper, you finish the paper, you go out of class, you don't remember the question much. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
That means usually, that's not a good paper lah, for you, usually. You are probably panicking or you're rushing or you're not thinking very clearly. Was that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Compared to physics probably clearer for you, I guess. Probably
Yeah.
after exam. All right. Totally understand. Tell me, why do you think you were, panicking or, not thinking clearly for the chemistry paper? Do you have any idea?
No.
Then does it happen from the start? Open the paper, immediately first question, you kind of like a bit panicking.
I think it's like just a lot of careless mistake.
Mm, there must be careless mistake, but you believe me first, you believe me, Keston. Careless mistake only is not enough to make somebody fail. The cause of the careless mistake or the conceptual mistake following the careless mistake is usually the problem. I do not accept that careless mistake is the sole reason that you fail. Basically, you're saying this like, you careless mistake 50%. Basically what? Does that even make sense? No, right?
No,
Cannot be. Cannot be. So my question remains. Did you feel like you are stressed out, so to speak, right from the start? Like when you see the first question?
no,
At least do you remember that? Okay, no. Then tell me, do you remember when you start being stressed? What happened? Then you get stressed.
don't think I got stressed.
But you don't remember the paper after the exam, correct? You don't. That is usually a sign of not good sign. It's not a good sign. Then what happened, Lee? If it is not stress, what do you think happened?
I also don't know.
Fine for me. But definitely I will need to see your paper. I need to see
Yeah,
your paper. Did I ask you to predict your chemistry paper? Did I ask you? Did I ask
no.
you? I should have, right? I should have asked you to predict, right? Why didn't I
Richard,
ask you?
you wanna see everything, like all the notes?
Yeah,
Because
if you could.
there's a lot, like there's 6 topics, and then there's like 10 or 10.
Okay.
There's like a lot, just like
Okay, let me put it this way, Kirby. Let me put
ton
it
of
this way.
things. Yeah.
You are in the middle of the syllabus, right? Computer
Yeah.
science. You choose computer science, you seem to like it, but you're in the middle. So let me ask you, do you want
Yeah.
help on everything? Do you want?
No, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Like,
If you do not know, then send everything lah. Did that make sense?
but there's so
Then at least I
much.
read, then I know.
It's like
Oh my goodness.
20, 30, 40 slides, 40 things.
40 slides from last
There's a
year
lot. They
until now.
put in like more than like what's tested this term.
Look,
There's
Kirby.
like 6. They put 6 topics, but they're only on the third one.
Look,
So do
Kirby.
you want me to send
That takes around 10 minutes to send everything. Just to be clear, okay? That takes around 10 minutes to
all
click and send.
everything?
Do you want help or not? Do you want to be helped?
Not
Or you want
really.
just a random help here and there for computer science?
Yeah, just yeah, I don't know. I don't need help yet for this. Like,
You sure, yeah? Then I don't force you to do it, lah. Your choice.
yeah, I
Right?
don't. Yeah,
Right? Let's ignore computer science for today.
I don't know yet. Yeah.
All right. All right. Uh, yeah. You're the weird. You're a very weird one, Kirby. You're a weird one. But
Why?
your initiative, right? Usually, when people have time, people do it first, lah. Right? People don't try not to do things. At the end, when you really need it, then you do it. But that is your
Yeah.
style. Be careful. Be careful of that. Kirby. Be careful, yeah. Careful. Now, anyway, I'm glad that your school seems to be good, lah. So, is there anything else that we can talk about today beside computer science?
What about, can we just do the normal math for physics? Like, yeah,
I don't
okay.
mind. I don't mind. Like, but did you bring the book and everything?
I don't have any book, but like, can use the paper, right? And the thing.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Then let's do a very normal one, right? Your choice. I'll follow you using Google Drive,
But
and I follow you
can I
using
go
Jamboard.
early at like 8:30?
8:30. But why?
Because we might have to hand out our phones. I'm not sure what time we have to do. Like hand up the devices.
Then wait lah until they ask you lah. Anyway, are you using your phone or your mic? You're not using your phone, right?
Yeah, but I knew hand up both. Hand up
Oh, you
everything.
didn't head up. No. Stick until 9 because we want to know why. Because if it is if we cannot do until 9, then your tuition time must change, ma. We need to know right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway,
But
testing
on
connection was
Sundays is 8:30. That's why I know. Yeah.
That means on Sunday we should do it slightly earlier. Okay, that's fine. I think that's on Sunday, it's fine. Okay, let's give it a try for today. If it is really 8:30, then just go lah. It's fine. That's not your fault. Okay, but if
Okay.
not, let's continue. Okay. Okay. That's
Mm.
all. Okay. I'll follow you to using Jamboard because there's no other way. Yeah. Okay. Please put
Yeah.
things on Jamboard. Okay. Now, Keston, back to you. Sorry about that. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Chemistry, nothing. Oh, I really want to see your paper. Okay, I really want to see your paper, Keston. Whew. Okay, maybe another question first. How did the class do, Keston? How did everybody do?
They got like 5, 6 failures out
You
of
mean
24.
there isn't many failures lah?
I think it's like 1/4 fail.
And you're one of them lah. It doesn't feel
Yeah.
good lah. It doesn't feel good. I understand. Well, how about the rest who is successful? How did that go? Like, is it really, really good? You know, a lot of people get good grades, you know. Is that what happened?
Probably. Can't remember.
Looks like we have to up the game, right? Send a message for a while, and Yep.
I got locked off the Gmail account. I think they like shut it down. Yeah. Like
tell me.
the old school Gmail. Yeah.
Oh, that means you
I
cannot
continue to
use
send
your.
everything to me on this other Gmail.
Oh, I
Yeah, I
see
can't
what
use
you
that Jamboard
mean.
anymore.
Okay, then let's use a new Jamboard. Yeah, you gotta just use a new Jamboard. Just use a new Jamboard for now. Do you still remember mine? If not,
But
then
I
I'll
don't
show
I
you.
don't have the worksheets, the
You
things, the
don't have the
papers.
worksheet. Oh,
Yeah.
because I
You need
share
to
with
share
you on
again.
there. Okay. So first of all, I will send to you my email, right?
Okay.
You share with me your new Jamboard, yeah? Okay, and then you gotta send me your email so I can, share Google Drive.
Okay. Should I use my school Gmail or should I use another one? Like,
No, just use whatever is reliable from now on.
yeah, okay.
You decide. Okay, you decide. But you gotta tell me. Okay. Okay, Keston. Is there any question bank from your school only? SST question bank. Is there such a thing?
No.
That means if you want more question to practice, there is no question from your school. Really. Cannot.
like
Can.
it's like they print it out and then they put it in the library.
So it's a hard copy one, understand. Do you have it?
No.
Can you buy it?
I can like cam scan it.
Huh? It's only one hard copy, yeah? Only one hard copy in the library.
I don't know, cause like I don't know how to borrow books.
Well, even if you borrow, you will still have to take picture, lah, correct?
Yeah.
All we want is a picture.
Oh, okay.
So if you have your school standard, right now you're dealing with SST. Like let me say, no matter what I say, for example, I trying to comfort you. It's okay lah, SST is a very hard one. Later when you O level, you'll be very easy one. It's really cold comfort, right? Doesn't help you right now, correct or not?
Yeah.
And again, to be true, SST does kind of tries to kill you one with the exam question. There is no other way to deal with this but to rise up to your school standard. And unfortunately, there is no book out there which is up to your school standard. There is no such thing. Your school standard is number one. like, believe it or not, reflux also not that hard. Believe it or not lah. Okay, MGS, all those stuff, no, not that hard compared to your school. If we want to deal with your school, we just have to raise to your bar. So you gotta take a picture of the chem and physics one and gonna use that starting next week, if that makes some sense.
Okay.
Okay, take as many as you like lah. In the end, we're gonna need everything for prelim. But if you know it's too tiring, focus on the Sec 4 question first lah, the one later one, if that makes some sense.
Yeah.
Okay, now for today, oh Kirby, I got it. For today, we simply let's forget about Sec 4 right now. There isn't much that we can do using my question right now. So it's clear already. My questions should be enough for you. We just have to raise our level and we have to wait for your questions to come in. So there's no point doing too much organic chem right now. What you have done is already more than enough from my side. Can you? Okay, so instead, we're going to focus on some Sec 3 or the previous topic that you are just not good at. So you're not up to speed one. Is there any topic that, how come I cannot copy? Is there any topic from Sec 3 or Sec 4 that you are just not up to speed one regarding chemistry or physics?
Electromagnetic induction.
You mean the current physics thing,
Yeah.
the current one? Oh, okay. We'll talk about it. Wait, I'm gonna share with you physics. I haven't shared with you physics, right? Just a minute, I have to share with you. Is it e-math? Is that what you want today?
What?
Is e-math what you want today?
Yeah.
E-math. Where's e-math? Oh, there you go. Okay, I have shared with your new Gmail. Please check first O-level e-math, yeah? If you have, good. If don't, please tell me lah. Now for Caston. Caston, I have to share with you physics, right?
You share me E-math also.
E-math, A-math, no problem. But again, I told you already lah, the standard of your school is rather high. So, Caston, your email is Chan Jing Hoi.
Yeah.
Okay, right. I've shared with you physics, right? You go and get some question, electromagnetic, while I share the rest with you.
Rachel, you send the stuff to my Gmail.
Only the e-math one and to your Google Drive. That means I share the Google Drive with you. Makes sense?
I wouldn't. Huh? I don't see your email.
Okay. Let me confirm that your Google Drive is on cur8by
Yeah.
Gmail. Okay. It should be. Let me check one more time. You gotta go to share with me. Let me confirm. Are you at share with me?
On Google Drive.
Yeah. Because I check again.
Oh, yeah, I have
Definitely,
it.
I have shared with
Yeah.
you. Yeah. So I'll take off the other one. Ken? I should take out the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. That one shouldn't be useful already. Right.
Yeah.
Keston, I should have shared with you 4 subjects lah: A-math, E-math, physics, and chem. Next is your turn to share with me from your library, right? Take all the photos and we'll do it. Now, when you look at the physics paper, focus on the topic that you want to ask me lah, electromagnetic induction. Let's go, right? Kirby, do you have a new Jamboard for me?
I've been made. I'll make it.
Somehow your mic is can you say again? Somehow I cannot hear you.
Hello?
Yeah,
I haven't made it yet. make it now.
Okay. I'm gonna share the rest of the Jamboard to you. Make sense?
Okay.
Correct? Okay. To your new account. Has there any trouble so far?
No finding.
Okay. Kirby, are you okay?
Yeah, I think I just sent you the thing.
Okay. I'm sharing 3 of your past Jamboard already.
Okay.
Aston, are you okay?
I posted one inside.
Oh, right. Okay. All right. Okay, got it. Okay, good. This is a transformer. Have you talked about transformers?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is very likely sorry. We assume it's an ideal transformer, right? Unless they say otherwise. Can you do this? This is not a particularly difficult question. Oh, the part 2 is the real transformer. Interesting. Right. Can you do this?
Yeah.
All right, let me see you do it. Transformer questions are popular, so hopefully that works out. Yeah, transformer is not the hardest part of induction. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Kirby, I almost finished sharing all the past Jamboard with you.
Did you join the Jamboard? I sent you the
I
thing.
have not. I have not. I have
Oh.
not. But I cannot see a new Jamboard. I cannot see.
The
Have you
thing
shared
is,
with me?
I think I did.
Okay, let me check one more time because I haven't seen the new one. Let me see. Just a minute. Coming. Okay, I've shared everything with you. So you also see whether you can see all your past Jamboard. We just confirm that.
Yeah, I can see
Mhm.
5.
What is he missing? 1, 2, 3, 4,
I can
5,
see 1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5. I can't
Oh,
see
6 not yet.
6.
Okay. But I confirm cannot see your new one. I don't see any new one.
But it says it
Are you
shared to Areti
Areti trainer 01
Trainer 01. Yeah.
at Gmail. Okay, that's very weird. Okay, let me check one more time. I am not seeing it at all. Is it Kirby Emath 01?
Yeah.
Oh, you titled. Okay, so yeah, okay, great. I see it.
I
I'm so
titled it different, yeah.
Yeah, nice. So I guess I am in. So let's just give me the question.
Okay. Wait, Che, how do I take screenshots on a MacBook?
That's fine. Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine, guys.
I don't know.
How do you take screenshot? Oh, you better Google that. I have no idea. Better Google that. But it is definitely easy to do. MacBook is supposed to be easy to use lah. Supposedly.
Okay.
It's like Command Shift 4.
Sorry,
Oh.
Gaston, you're saying sorry? What?
It's
Oh,
Command
Command
Shift 4.
Shift 4. Thank you, Gaston. Command Shift 4.
Thanks.
Do you use MacBook also, Gaston?
Yeah.
Nice. Really? Oh, nice. Okay. Weird. It's a rare choice, but good for you. I like it. Can you do the efficiency one? Okay. Mm.
Then how do I paste it in?
Command V lah. Is it correct?
It's not
Gaston?
working.
Or you need to open it up in preview. Then you drag the entire thing, then Command C.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
okay.
You understand it? I have no idea.
It's really weird.
You mean you cannot easily paste, yeah?
You
You
can't.
cannot. Oh my goodness. MacBook. No, your eye. Huh. Feels like a very weird way of doing it, Caston. Are you sure you're okay with A part 2? Feels very weird.
I think.
Okay, so what's the answer? I'll give you an alternative. Okay, as long as you understand, that's fine. But I'll give you an alternative just in case lah. Right? Yeah. Okay. So I just use whatever the easiest one times 6 lah. 6 and then times 100/90 lah. Maybe I'll put it this way easier. So something greater than 72 lah, right? Again, when I see your equation, I'm not sure whether it makes sense to yeah, it's power over power, right? Oh, it totally doesn't make sense. Right. Wait. This is power 1 over power 2 lah. Correct? Power 1 over power 2. Correct?
Yeah.
You're saying that power 1 is smaller than power 2. That does not make sense at all. Do you understand? It does not make sense.
Yeah.
No matter what formula you use, you don't give me formula. This does not make sense. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Power 2 should be smaller than power 1. Put it this way, I1, which is supposed to be bigger than I2, right? Supposed to be 72 lah. Correct or not?
Yeah.
I1 is supposed to be 72. Your answer should be greater than 72 because of the, because of the loss in efficiency lah. Correct?
Yeah.
I'm using logic more, and I hope in physics especially you use more logic. Okay?
Okay.
If you don't get what I'm doing, at least get that what you're doing is wrong and find a better way of doing it, a more logical way. No formula, please. No questions so far? Still waiting. So almost 8:30.
I don't know. I don't know the this. I'm trying to learn.
You're still looking at the Google Drive, isn't it?
I'm trying to piece this picture.
You're overcoming a technical problem, yes.
Yeah.
Thankfully, Keston is here. Keston, please help us.
Wait, I go like share screen.
Keston is gonna share screen with you, Kirby. Please take a look.
Yeah, see, this is the thing, right?
Yeah.
You just drag it over, and then you like Command C, and then it's saved already.
Oh.
Command C and then paste on the Jamboard, something like that.
Yeah.
So the paste is Command V also.
Yeah.
Same thing. Wow. So you got a screenshot and then open the screenshot, copy and paste.
Yeah.
The screenshot is automatically on your desktop, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, still annoying. MacBook.
Oh.
Does it work? That means slightly more steps, slightly more steps. Thank you very much, Keston. Now,
That's so
how's
weird.
the eye going for you? Sorry, you're saying?
Huh?
Are you okay, Keston? Sorry, I'm not seeing any progress.
Oh, I thought I just skip AI and then went BII.
No, I want you to do AII. What are you talking about?
Oh, okay.
I mean, point out that, logically it doesn't make sense, right? I want you to strengthen your logic. So what's the right thing to do? You can
It's
follow my
just-
way or you can do your own way, but I need to see what you're doing. I don't want you to be
Just switch it
confused
around.
like this. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. And your answer is greater than 72. Am I correct?
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay, good. Now, question B then. Okay, Kirby, I'm seeing that you can paste EMAT
So,
SA2 metal
yeah.
disc girl. So that seems to work, I guess. That seems to work. Oh, you're getting something. Okay, good, Keston. Good. Let's continue then. Looks fine with me, Keston. You're using the right formula. That's fine. Right. So good. This is a very complete question. It's not hard, but it's complete. So I like it, I guess. So far, so good, Keston. The numbers are big, but that's how it is. Lah. Good, good, good. Wait, what? I can tell you that this is wrong, but don't erase. Please try again. That means your logic, yeah, the logic a bit off already. It means your physics has to improve. If you don't know why it's wrong, I'll give you some hint. Okay, Kirby, finally I'm seeing something, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you a clue. Oh, wait. Okay. So, Castellana, the transmission line works very weird one. I don't know how to explain for now, but transmission works extremely weird. The normal logic that we use doesn't seem to count. You're using two very normal methods, and these two normal methods can be very wrong. I'm going to explain later why they are wrong, and they are only wrong when we are talking about transmission with transformer. Extremely weird. Now, I will show you another method first, right? Again, this will feel weird because this is transmission with what do you call it? Transformers. Power. This is currently the only way to get it correct.
Sure.
Yep.
What's a irrational number?
Oh, irrational number.
I forgot. Yeah.
Cannot make into fraction and never ending.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. Let me put it by the way. Never ending, and no pattern. Must be two, yeah. Never ending and no pattern.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully you know which one is that.
So it's 3 point. It's pi, right?
Pi is irrational. Good. There's one more irrational. Hopefully you can find it. Keston, are you confused right now? Keston? Yeah, I mean something like that, and then you're done. No? Strange enough, there is 2 marks. It's as simple as that, but people can get it very wrong, so to speak. Now, the first one is wrong. I explain first the first one. The first is easy to explain. The first one is because it seems like you're assuming the transformer has a resistance of 5,000. That's not true. That's the resistance of the transmission cable. So that's just totally wrong already. I hope that makes some sense.
Yeah.
Okay. The second one is wrong. You're using voltage divider lah. So, oh, your voltage divider is correct. Sorry. Your voltage divider is correct. That's fine. Using voltage divider is fine. Is it better to use P over V over PI? Yeah. Oh yeah, it is better. Why? Because some other question will not give you the external resistance. That's the only reason why VP over I is slightly better. In this question though, I guess both are fine. Sorry, I rushed too fast to tell you that you're wrong. Right. Okay, part C, please. Okay. Has Kirby, this
Yeah.
guy, you check using a calculator, okay? Check this guy. Is
Yeah.
it like never ending or never repeat also? Check using a calculator. Never ending, never repeat.
But actually, I don't think I have a calculator. I think I left it. Left it
So
behind.
you gotta bring, okay, let's type what you gotta bring, okay? You gotta bring your phone stand and you gotta bring your calculator. What else? Anything else so far? Bring back phone stand and calculator. Okay, anyway, if you try your 2 root 3, you'll find that it is never ending and never repeating. So that's also irrational.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is root 16. Root 16 is 4, so that's not irrational. Kirby, is anybody asking you to surrender your stuff?
Not yet.
Yet? All right, let's
I don't
continue.
know, but I can hear some yelling.
All right, let's wait.
Yeah.
Let's wait. Okay, let's just pretend you're the new guy, right? So let's just pretend. How's the dorm, by the way? Is it good?
Yeah.
The connection is good so
Very
far.
clean.
Very clean. I like it a lot.
Yeah, but
Okay.
the phone Wi-Fi is bad. The MacBook Wi-Fi is good.
How does that work? That's good.
It's a different one. Yeah.
I see. Keston, are you stuck so far? Oh, you're answering. I'm sorry. I cannot see you answering. Right. Okay. That's just logical. Right. Yeah, it's great. No, Caster, no. No. Come on, Caster. If power is the same and V is different, how can I be the same? No, Keston, where's your logic? Wait, usually don't make this kind of mistake. Are you tired today?
Oh,
Are you feeling not in tip-top shape today?
I don't know.
Okay, never mind. You sure you can still continue? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Because your logic is not working. Usually your logic is strong one, right? Okay, good to know. Right. Okay, ignore what I say. Just continue practicing this topic. If there's nothing else to do, at least we forget about chemistry today. Just forget about it a little bit. Might have impacted you too much. Okay, Kirby. Isn't it easier to use mouse? No?
I don't have a
Oh my
mouse.
goodness, Kirby. How are you supposed to do this without
Uh,
calculator? You die, right?
uh,
Look, let's not try, okay? Let's not. You don't bring calculator, you choose to do email. What am I going to say? What am
yeah.
Hey Kirby, just share your screen, okay? Look, just share your screen. Let's talk about computer science. Look, okay. Anyway, today is
Okay.
share your screen, okay? I also want to know if sharing screen is smooth or not. We need to know anyway, right?
Yeah.
Come. I want to see your Google Classroom, everything. Yeah, I want to know. Might as well. Teston, find other induction question. If you don't know, it's always about motor. There's always a coil and there's also a motor. Those questions are usually troublesome one. Okay.
I think I have to restart my Zoom though to screen share.
Tell me why that is so.
It's saying that I need to quit the thing. So
That's
to
so
like,
weird. Okay. Quick.
yeah.
No problem.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you now.
I think I'm
Keston, are you okay with finding questions, Keston?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Take a screenshot. Sure. Okay. Show me the whatever Google Classroom. Yeah.
okay.
You can
They
ignore
like,
this. Yeah.
this is what they wanted me to do today. They wanted me
Oh
to find the couples, like
wow.
this,
Wow. Oh no. That's fine. No, that's fine. No, actually, that's fine.
like give examples. I had to like
That's
search up.
no, that's okay. What do you mean by you have to search? Wait. What do you mean by that? Sorry.
Like to, I don't know. I just had to search on Google
You mean
what's
you
the
gotta
topic.
find out yourself? Ah? Really? Yeah.
Yeah, but it's also in the sites. There's some
Okay.
sites.
That's just so weird. Okay.
Yeah.
This is not computer science. This is basic computer stuff.
Yeah.
I was thinking that you'll be doing some programming.
He also like helped me download like the thing.
Yeah, this
I
kind
was
of thing
like,
lah. I was thinking, right? This kind of
yeah,
thing. But that's so simple, huh? What? Okay, show me the slides again. Show me the slides again.
what is
Interesting question, Keston. If you have a question, if you are confused, please ask me. It's a simple coil, electromagnet, and whatever not. Right? Okay. Looks new, probably. The topic 2 data, binary introduction. Already, that's the normal stuff. Can I see topic 3? Can you
topic
see a little
3?
bit? Yeah,
This
topic
is
2,
what
I
they're
already
on.
understand.
Yeah.
Topic 3, okay, I understand. Then
There's also like a website for me to use
okay.
to learn, this thing.
Uh, well, yes, if it doesn't confuse you lah. That's for computer science or for everything?
Everything, but I was like using it for computer science.
Sure thing, sure thing. Let me see the network then. How much do they discuss network?
Network.
Yeah, topic 4.
I don't know. They only have this right now.
Huh. Could you open it for me? For networks. Are you okay, Keston? Okay, seems fine. Okay. Arrow, go in or go out? Types of network, internet structure, sure. Okay. Could you check for me the TCP IP?
Which one?
Topic 4 TCP IP protocol. The
Which
one below.
one?
Yeah. Second line, first one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good.
What is the video?
But Keston, you gotta draw the magnetic field line more completely, like, that's not good. Right? What you're doing is not good. Yeah, a
I'm
more
gonna watch
complete line.
the video.
Yeah, nice. Okay. So in a real paper, maybe 3 more lines lah, yeah, at least draw 6 lah. Other than that, it seems fine. Okay. How can your arrow be like this? You're very confused right now. Keston today not tip top, yeah? Not tip top. Wait, why is there a video? Sorry, why is
I
there a
don't know.
video?
It's just a video
Try.
for now.
Try.
You wanna watch the video?
Yeah, just see what happened. You can even open this at YouTube. Craig and Dave. Oh, this is not even your teacher's video. This is like other teachers' video. Okay,
Oh,
Casper, understand. Hmm. Right. This is how your teacher teach. What do you think about your computer science teacher, Kirby?
I have two. I think I don't know. They're nice.
I mean, what's your first impression about your computer science teacher?
Uh, I'm not sure. They're nice.
How about his style of teaching?
Uh, I don't know. They just went through slides because right now it's the revision period for the other students.
So
So
revision means you just went through slides, really?
yeah, that's what the teachers did. Yeah. Then they
So everybody
wanted us
is
to do the Google thing that I showed you just now.
So everybody just passively listening, so to speak.
Yeah, enjoying the word.
Okay, at least there's something to do, I guess. Okay, you just check
Yeah,
out this
yeah.
video for a while. You tell me what you think, right? Okay, I didn't expect this to happen, but okay. All right, let's try.
Okay.
Okay, Gaston. All right. Okay. Now let's see how you do it. It turns. Okay, Kirby, you're gonna tell me whether all this makes sense or not, right? Okay.
Yeah.
The question, right? How do you know which side
Yes.
is what pole?
You mean the direction of the current, right?
Yeah,
So let me put it this way for you. You are right. It is not mentioned, and you must also consider the fact that it can be both. You do not know. It is possible for the guy to connect it, then this become north-south, or this becomes south-north. Does that make any sense? It is
yeah,
possible for these two to happen. Now, does that bother you? Can you still answer with that two possibility, so to speak?
yeah.
All right, good. Give it a try. What do you think about this, Kirby? You okay or not? So many words,
Yeah.
so many fancy words, you know. What is this? You're okay with it?
A bit, yeah.
Well, I'm quite surprised. I'm quite happy that you're okay. Quite happy. Quite happy.
Yeah.
Good to know. Good to know. Are you done with your answer, Keston?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, right. Okay. So Keston, there's some problem with your answer, yeah? Okay, so check it out. First of all, your answer doesn't seem to mention the permanent magnet at all. I think you know how it works, but it is not mentioned in any way. And yet, in part C, you obviously acknowledge that the permanent magnet is there. So I know that you understand how it works. It's just that you never mention it in your answer. Don't think it's good. You also don't mention the pivot at all. I think that should really help you sentence your question. I think. And then lastly, I think for 3 marks, it is safe for you to it is safer for you to mention that it works both ways. It is better for you to explain it. All this seems to be in your mind, but you're not putting in. So overcome your tiredness and try to construct a better sentence. For 3 marks, I think this should be what to do. Good, good, good. Good, Keston. So far, so good. So far, so good, Keston. Is that the end, or are you writing more?
No, I don't know how to talk about the polls.
The polls are fine. No, the polls are fine. Because when you say attract or repel, you are mentioning the two possibility. I like it a lot. That's already enough in that sense. And then you strengthen it with clockwise or anti-clockwise, which is great. What you're missing, what I like from your original question is that you mentioned, bigger means move more on the scale. That you lost that one in this new question, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
You should also mention that, bigger current, more movement, or whatever, something like that. You should.
Yeah. You're still watching the video.
Yep. You okay? You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, not a lot of people will understand it at your age lah. So good
Yeah,
for
I
you.
don't really I only understand a bit. Like,
Okay, okay.
but I
Just
knew like
curious.
yeah.
All right, all right. Okay, next time we can discuss about it. Okay. Thank you for sharing me. I already know topic 4. So could you show me the other topics lah?
That is topic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like, topic 6.
Heston, that's fine. Is there another way beside increasing the strength of the permanent magnet? Because when you do it, it becomes heavier also. So heavier, I mean, your answer seems like a good idea until you realize that the stronger magnet might mean heavier and therefore much harder to balance lah in the pivot. I want you to think about another way if possible. Okay. You're showing me topic 6. Topic 6 is the start of programming, isn't it? Reduce the number of turns. How does that increase the sensitivity? Huh? Wait, what? How does reducing number of turn increase the sensitivity?
I thought it would make the electromagnet weaker.
If it is weaker, it will move less, right? The pointer will move less. Does that sound like increased sensitivity?
I thought that makes it more sensitive cause like it moves less.
No. More sensitive means even though the current is weak, for example, the current is weak, so that means the electromagnet is weak lah. The pointer still move, so it can detect weaker current, which means weaker current gives a noticeable effect. So far, so good, Ken. That's what
Yeah,
sensitivity is, which means you don't want your electromagnet to be weaker. You want your electromagnet to be strong or have a stronger effect. If you make it less strong, it'll become less sensitive. You can only detect higher current, not smaller current. Make sense or not?
yeah.
Okay, right. Make the ruler longer. Yeah. At what side? At what side? You gotta specify at what side.
I thought
Okay.
it's
Good
just
enough,
both
Kirby.
sides.
Hey, nonsense. Well, at least one of the side lah. At least one very specific side. The side near the side next the side of the magnet, right? The side of magnet. That is longer. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait. No, I'm wrong. I'm gonna describe it later. Wait, I'm gonna describe it later. You move to the next question first. So Kirby, would you please move? Oh, if you want to check it out, you go ahead. If not, I want to see topic 6 and below lah, which is programming. No, that is
Oh,
programming.
yeah. It's like extra.
Are you here?
It's like
Are you at topic 6?
no, I said we're at topic 3.
Oh, we're at topic 3.
Yeah, the class is at topic 3. Topic 6 is next year.
I don't understand. This has been going on for 1.5 years, and you are
I
only
don't
at
know.
topic 3.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
You are not even at topic 4. You are not even at
I-
networking.
I don't know.
That's so weird. And programming the hardest thing at the last year. What? That's so weird.
Yeah.
Oh, glad to know. Things are slow, isn't it? Go ahead, read topic 3, no? Read topic 3. Go ahead. Go ahead. You read topic 4, right? You read topic 4.
Look at what? Topic 3.
Topic 3, yeah. If you're doing topic 3, then go
I
ahead and
was
read
like,
topic 3.
this is the topic 3 thing, the work that they
Right.
wanted me to do.
So again, of course, you should do this, right, as a homework or something. But remember, a good student also prepare for the next class. So I want you to read slightly ahead. You know, let's be a good student, right? Let's be a good student.
It's like
Do
a
this,
certain,
read slightly ahead.
yeah.
And you can ask me questions, right? You can ask me questions when you read ahead.
Okay. But can I use the toilet? I need to pee.
Right.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, Keston. So I was wrong. I explained already in page 7, right? So what we mean by sensitive, if this makes sense, small movement here because weak current, right? Remember, weak current from here, weak I, weak magnet, small movement, but we want a bigger movement here, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So that's more sensitive, but then you can read better, right? Which means this has to be longer, which means there's an issue. The ruler itself must be light. If it is not light, it will cancel the effect because this becomes heavier. Longer means heavier. Like this is like the same effect with increasing the strength of the magnet. If you're not using high quality magnet, if you're just adding mass to the magnet, the weight will cause a problem. It will become less sensitive, if that makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Right. So I suppose increasing the number of turn is the safest way. That one is probably the safest way. I'm not sure how far they will think. It's 1 mark, so I guess we don't care too much. I am telling you, in case they decided to make it a 2 mark or 3 mark question, then you have to worry about the complications. Okay? Does this make it better? Do you understand?
Yeah. For question B, right? Is it using Faraday's law of like electromagnetic induction?
Okay, now again, let me say something straight conceptual to you. Faraday law and Lenz's law, right? Faraday and
Yeah.
Lenz's law is of course for induction in the inducing a current, so to speak, right? In a passive coil. What do I mean by passive coil? A coil which does not have any power source, no battery, no current, no voltage, but suddenly current appears being induced by an active coil. What is an active coil? Very simple, a coil which has a power source, a current, a battery attached to it. In those situations, you can say Faraday law and Lenz's law. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Now look at this situation. Do you have an active coil?
No.
Yes, you have. The
Yeah.
XY means it's a coil which will be connected to a current, active lah. The coil is powered by some sort of current or whatever. Make sense?
Yeah.
Is, however, this active coil inducing a passive coil? A coil does not have anything. Is there a passive coil?
No.
Strictly speaking, you don't have to think about induction in this case, strictly speaking. One more time, induction, Faraday law, Lenz's law. Active coil, passive coil. I hope that makes sense.
Oh wait, is this on right-hand grid rule?
I'm so sorry.
Is it use right-hand grid rule for like the poles?
Yes. For this one, definitely no left-hand rule. Definitely no. This one simply just grip rule, right? But you don't know direction of current, so you also cannot use the grip rule, if that makes sense.
Oh yeah.
Let me put it another way, Keston, so that you don't misunderstand. Permanent magnet can take the place of active coil. A permanent magnet and an active coil is interchangeable. Make sense?
Yeah.
But a passive coil must still be there to induce. A passive coil is a requirement for induction. If not, what are you inducing it into, so to speak, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So in this case, there is an active coil, there's a permanent magnet, but there is no passive coil, shouldn't talk about induction, shouldn't talk about Lenz's law, Faraday law, and therefore the left-hand rule also. I hope that makes some sense.
Yeah.
Okay, good question.
Yeah.
Yes, Kirby, you're saying?
I'm here, but like, can I go at 8:55?
Yes, why? Because why?
Because I don't want to be like, don't want to be
You want to
clueless, you know?
maintain a good impression.
Yeah.
Maintain a good impression is good. Find out what's going on. Okay, go. You go first. You go. Find out what's going on. I'll
I
see
can
you
go
again
now, huh?
tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
I'll see you again tomorrow. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Good question, Keston. So far, so good. Still the basic foundational question. Good.
I put a question inside.
Just a minute. All right, that's a very old topic. Okay, tell me what's your problem? Why do you want this?
Is this not tested?
This is tested, definitely tested, definitely a secretary stuff, and definitely something worth discussing. Do you know how to do this?
No.
Give me 1 minute. I'll show you. Yeah, just a minute. All right. Something tells me that this will improve you by much, right? Now, this is accurate drawing, so we cannot do this properly in Jamboard, but I can illustrate lah. You have to do the accurate drawing yourself, okay, on paper. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, this situation is, I mean, just to confirm, this is not very important. This is the same as FZ lah. This is 360. Would that be okay? So nothing, not important. When we focus on R, we notice that there are three forces, and the forces are in equilibrium, meaning to say, I will now add 3 forces, and it will come to 0 Newton. Am I making any sense so far? That's the
Yeah.
conceptual part. Okay, good. Now I will do some accurate drawing. I noticed that this guy and this guy, I know the direction. This makes my life so easy. There are other questions which makes it very hard. This is not a hard question because I know the direction and the length of 2 forces. I choose to start with 450 randomly. This is a random choice. Random choice, huh? Okay, so far so good.
Yeah.
The rule of adding forces is very simple. This is the rule for every vector, not just forces. I start, I end. I start where I end, just like traveling. I travel from here to here For the next length of my travel, I start here lah, start and end. I hope that makes some sense. Start, end, okay?
Yeah.
Now, at this stage, I know my final end. What is my final end? So this is my first start, my first end. I randomly choose that guy. This is my second start, my second end, right? This
Yeah.
must be my third start. Must be what? Correct? Makes
Yeah.
sense what? And this must be my third end because I must go back to the original because 0 Newton. Logic, okay? Makes sense?
Yeah.
If I already know this is my third start and my third end, then I already know this is my fx lah. I already know. Once I draw this accurately, I found the length and I found the angle. It should be extremely easy, but I need an accurate drawing. Something like that. This is the angle. This is the. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Is this your understanding? I mean, am I teaching you something that you need?
No, I just like forgot how to.
Let me show you something which is harder. Okay, I'll show you something which is harder. Something which is harder goes like this. This one, I know both the direction and the length. Okay, this one I know both. I'll do a two-tick. How do they make it more difficult? They will give you half-half. This force, for example, I know the length. I know the length, which is 360 Newton, but I do not know the angle. So this is, I know half of the force. Force is a vector, man. Knowing the length but not the direction means I only know half the information. They will also now give you another length here. For example, they give you this as I don't know, 500 Newton, but also no angle. So half information. This is slightly harder compared to the original question. Am I making any sense?
Yeah.
How to do this? Same thing. This is the only thing that you can start, 450 Newton. So we start from there lah. Okay. My first start, my first end. I randomly choose 500 as my second start. Second start, 500. What do? I grab my compass and I mark 500. It's a 500 Newton radius. Make sense?
Yeah.
I know that this is my second start, second end. I don't know where that is. It doesn't help me. Where's my second end? Question mark. It can be anywhere. It doesn't help. So instead, I will decide that the fact that I know this is going to be my third end. I still know that by logic, right? And my third end will be a radius of 360. So I draw another radius 360 to find my third start. So the conclusion is this will be my second end and third start. This is also possible. Second end, third start. Am I making any sense so far?
Yeah.
Which one is the correct one? There is only one answer. Which one?
The left side one.
The left side one. So let's see. Yeah, the left side one says that therefore this is my 500. Correct? My 500. And this is my 360. I guess that makes a lot of sense, right? Compared to the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. So a little bit of construction technique from math, if you remember. Okay, they make this harder. I'm not sure whether they will ever do that, but it is possible for SST. SST, they just don't care sometimes. Just whack it. Okay. Now, is this what you want to know?
Yeah.
Hopefully, we'll discuss more next time. Keston, recover your morale, rest a little bit, yeah? Next time, I want to see your chemistry paper, and I also want to see all your SST questions. Would that be okay?
Yeah.
Although it is not good job for exam, but for today, good job, Keston.